so ayada foforo ema otwedi ampɔhen ne pono kɛse no ema me mienu ewa nkwamu me yɛmfa na asɛm me nyankopɔn na ema nkwa to nsuo ba awia no ema ho sɛpɛsɛ wodo afidi ato Adom TV ya wotie nkwaha dwumadi we me yɛ wɔkye ame a me de dwumadi ho kye ame me di am nyeso ya ni tekotego sɛ me no aha dwumadi bi asese abrabo a yɛbu sɛ wode abrabo ekora wo nsɛm sempo sɛ wote kodo mu a wo twa nsuo sempo nsuo no bu nkam sɛ den a wonkwa ɛhyɛ wo nsɛm wa abrabo ɛhyɛ wadwene mu. Your life is planted in your mind. Na me see so na ma me ka kyerɛ me sɛ mere bi sɛ akonfo ba ofio mama note sɛ ya ba ba wia ɛyɛ akonfo yamfo yo mama note pass e be wia wan hwɛ ama ho ban na mo aba ba wia ɛno mpo de sɛ otia yie anapa awie na nwumre bia no akonfo bi wura wadwene mu am robbers ɛna abayifuo mpo emfiri soro mfiri fam ewura wadwene mu ɛwɔ adwene a wankasa wodwene. Your own thoughts become robbers. That's still your joy. So de na adwene a wodwene no anya adwene Kenya wo anya adwene a empo epagya wo na ya adwene ma abeguro na awere ho na ya nsem fata ewia wani gye enti yetiwe yankasa ya da na ye ho am robbers wa adwene pro so eni ye wia ye ho. You know, you have to free your mind from the arm robbers of life. Arm robber na bi ne ohe se wodwene se won nsem fata se wodwene se enkoyie se wodwene se enye yie ena me be adwumadi we na krachi bia me din komo studio ya ya de bi osese ni ebe yie wate sikwan bia so no ebe di sinkunim na oya de na mpa oka asa na ehye ni nkran ma onya anwodin oye mane yeye kronfo na eta na adwen pro so oka asa enye yie no you need to chen na ohye ne hu nkran baba ye boy de ebe bia wo ya adwene mu so be yie so onye yie ansa na beka bibie no wodwene ho ansa na be bibie no if wadwene mu ansana obepagya abraba ko no pempeso e wadwene enti ya na wahwe wadwene bi say adwene we a medwene e am robber na wan won say osifie na robbers aba wa o ye camera e bo so your camera woni fie na ohwe won mo awura mu ye say wo de camera to wadwene pro so wan na uhunu say adwene a wodwene no e safata me so anapa me makwan ma abonfiayo adwene ewura ma adwene mu abeguru adwene de me ma na kwan e say me makwan ma brabo esafata empo atabi na mesha se mejiri satare we be fata me wa hu se wa wudi kan ji hu di ansa amanfo agi hu di. From today you have to begin to familiarize yourself with the things that make you special. Enyoma ema wo demu sonko enyoma ema wa brabo safata enyoma ema anigye edware wo enyoma a wo ka epagya wo no efine de na abeka ade anamuntu a ese wodi kan etuo no se ese hunu se wo ye nipa nti se obiara ni wa yie de wo bre ne de ombre wo nyina nipa ade etete wontemu e ya adwene a wodwene ye enura ena adwene abegin be kire nya abenya na kyena enti adwene a wadwene tete nyina de abesu papa so ya sisa wadwene mu. You see, my life results are in my power. Kacho ho se my brabo sunsanso e tumi e wo me I have what it takes to make my life better. Me won near a crami metimi my brabo wi my life is how I make it myself. So what is that? Your life is how you make it yourself. And you will be na beye and you will be na mama sika you will be na machira kwan oni pa betime trufo but anamuntu abetuo no gina wan kasa so wako school awie me nya adwuma me unemployed wo na apɛ bibi wa betime ro baba ya obekasa me so I'm self employed empo wo twen so beje wo nipa na obeje wo no no oje wakotua aka na wankasa Kenya ho na won say you are awesome but may bibi sonko abrabo mu a bo so abrabo ebeyi. Number 2, the only friend in your life is you. Fa ho nyonko na ka je won say me madam for mafa no eye me kwan ben so na metu me ho fo na mabrabo akoyie. 3, be your own life manager. Won say obia te adwuma oye manager de okrakra adwuma no ma no vision no ma no values say ahyenso de abehwe so na ode waburu bra wo so your life manager na ma ho vision ehin na me de mabrabo ko in 2 years ehin na me de mabrabo ko duo in 5 years ehin na me de maware na misika sema de sua ekoduro wo kasa no a afi pe nkuranhye ko abrabo nye ena ho akwanside wo mu munchimunka wo mu wo bre wo mu ehu wo mu. But one show life is filled with challenges, threats, frustrations, demand, and pressure. What you need is to inspire yourself as you walk the road to your vision and mission. Ababa ebu no sa wade sisi kasem enye bete. Obi kase dondo no ano no oboa. Dondo na echi no eya munchimunka. Dondo na echi no eyi wo bre ne akwanside. Emponti ahye enye adwuma. Entokwa beba. Ba se wo sinkete ehye ho kwansua de kase. Se dondo echi ntokwa ba. Se ni se na metumi afaso yi ano. Se me fati mu posa me ko ha. Ne mpo akwanside ba. Aha na mefa. If you want to be different, always dare to think differently. You need to have what we call the self-improvement mindset. Simple, my brabo ebe tumpon. And then they try to mame. Ubeti me atwe no me dua. Ubedwene ho. Positive thoughts. I be she unkran. When the man try ka wadwene mu. Think positively 10 times. Me, my ye, me, my brabo sefata, me tumpon. Think positively 10 positive thoughts. Churoto. Na enyi adwin bomfia yo no na petrol boy adion na Ghana adion emfa ho e de na be abrabo be emre na mpo petrol na boy de na enka wo na bedi nkunim e wo petrol na boy de opo mpo petrol boy de da biara akromfo owiase opo mpo traffic wo Ghana opo mpo nsuo beto wi abebo na emmom no wo wankasa de na de abrabo be yo a se na ma we na entimi emu nka mo so na betimi esinkete agina so. Now take away the weeds. Enwira bi wo adwen pro so. Enwira e kan nwira. Nneoma bi wo ha de dua omu emra wo yakwada no. Ebia na na eja. Ana ebia teacher bi ka che so da wawe wonim maths, wonim science, emfa ho. Na adwen no. Take away the nwira in your mind. E kan nwira weed. Enwira bi obi de to adwen so wo nsem fata, wo de be bre o. Akwese ya bo odua, e ma dua bo no nya. Don't be a victim. Ka che on say de e ka fa me ho no. Nyesa na mete. De ka fa me ho nyesa Nyankopon bo me. Obo me se wo de hye mama. Me ne nsa no adwuma na o hye me pa say me mre wi asem bedi no say I made you to go and dominate, to subdue shenyama so, to be fruitful. So master your life by repeating the way God made you to be. Onyame ebo e de maye bia bi obo wo matibra bi e manipa enwira ye de gu wa brabo mu enka won hye da bi da e bia na wakoware be ma bi o so na say o yo ba fun da bi enyini ntum ka che o se me de me yo ba papa nia wo kan ye wa dwen na wo kan fa me ho me ma dwen me se na pe o ba papa suban e bia no obi aka se o da onyini adwuma bia wo ya ni ha ya ma ni ha ni pe kwa betima fa so aya adwuma dene enyo ade to impress others. If you want to impress anyone, impress your own self by doing what is right. Ye de se fata se kenkan na wonim kenkan ma obi nkan no nkyere wase empo program wo tie ma enko adwen po so, and focus on the opportunities in your life than the obstacles. When I'm deja wo, focus on the opportunities in life than the obstacles. Every life problem has within it an opportunity to be better. I consider be about problem bibi o mo betimi afa so aye. Without problems there can be solutions. And I consider be about problem no men hwe consider no as the stop. Bisa say then the woman betimi ayo na maye. Challenges are brought to your life to lift you up. The bigger your problems, the larger your rewards. Once I work class 1 now, 1 + 1 we say when you 2. But I university ni ebisa won emu odu nti unya wanya PhD. Enti say problem no so a, o PhD so. E ma brabo akwansidi nsi okwan. Don't stop at your obstacles. Inspire yourself to find opportunities in your obstacles. Mema akwansidi ma unyina fa ko. Wate, menua. Ena na pe minim nya abahia na kwan mu. Ba de abahia bia no, emfa ne say akwansidi. Fa ne say ayadesuahunu a obesua bibia free mu no ayi. Aha na osomfo ni tekotego me ma pamfo ayi hwe wa Adom TV ye gya wo wo china no paso so obehia me woni onyame entina
Mayemu achibiem ena se mra Adom TV Badwam so yadani tekotego ase ni nkranhyen nsam a wode abie kwan de amaye de edu so no aya Adom TV Badwam kase ensam ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini ya Adom primary school ne die se dia dani ofidie yentina ho mane munwo mo so ansa nti wondo wade stra to dwaye de honsam no ebebro na yakọ Krachi senior high school so wono stress aban emeboa wo mo konwa ne akade ay ma de sua ne ade kire so ekwanimo eno ne nsɛm bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase Go TV a channel no 119 DSTV 280 wo YouTube so Adom TV yɛhyɛ hɔ a ho nyina dwumadie ubenya bi ɛwɔ hɔ medidi afia amankwa tamaklu afia ni die mutie nsɛm ni kyeremu ankasa edan ye siwo se school dan ɛsom enkwada ɛwɔ Adom primary ye no ɛwɔ Akrofom district wa Santemantemu no adane wo fidie ye ni na yetena ho ama ekum kwada ne akyerɛkyerɛfo ansana yete ho na mo Adom kase bopini ho ene ekohunu ya yeto asui
Yana ewa nsuo to a nsuo no timi bu yesa edan no nsuo tutum tokuru enwo wone ahommoa beble timi ba yankyɛ na yekunkum omo nsuo to titafo no timi enya kwan emekye ade nti yesrem so mo beboe na yensi dan no ena fam ha nsuo tutu basabasa wonam ho kra na wo hyefom nti me ka kyerem se aban be ye school dan foforo maye na ye school dan ne de enye kra yi
awofo bi a woni amane boni etwetwe nkomo no so de to nanimu se edan a won moma no tenamu esua de no akato nabro na adwiri agu adusuafo yi so de senti wonu mu hia sa aban e ba besi school dan foforo kra ama adusuafo no
ti de dan na ye na betime bu agu omo so ye nim da dan betime aye den abu nti yeslem a momboa ye kakrawai ehia momboa
na ya kura comedy omokwa ebu ha owo na enyina timi piepiem se penyefo na timi ahwe amaya maboa ye de a anya sa nkura no da kropa mo se dan na agu agu so
Morris Jones Wood aye Akrofom mensini krache wono so ne amane boni etwetwe nkomo no na woda ne die se mensini asi schools bebre ama nkura hodo a wo mensini ni mu senti se wonum enya skan ko ade a obesi school dan foforo ama adesuafo a wo ya adome
Mano ka say yetimi asi mako 12 hand over another 2 3 for kwema enche by next month by better hand over just say egusu a yes just by 5 years ni yetimi asi school dan mako 12 hand over 3 so kwema a ya it say ye try say but bia school dan ye bia no ye very pleasing anya hanko a ye wie we a ha de ka ho botwe de ka ho
her teacher ya wono ewo Crouch Senior High School wo Timantom no monso wode na distre na eto aban ankrankra ya won nsam wo bie so womra emebo won school no nkonya wo hia computers nso ne empa ya nkwada beda so wotumi asori aba school e wo ha okase pa one Adom TV kase enedi nkomo.
Please, we are appealing. We don't have computers. The computers we have for the students to use for the National Science and Maths quiz, we went the first one was stolen. We went the second time, the second one was also stolen. So as we speak now, we don't have computers for the National Science and Maths quiz students. So we are appealing to people we need computers so that we can be able to do that.
Esukufo bi a womo ene Adom News nsentwofo atwetwe nkomo enso ede nsem bi atudwa fa niema womo eni bie wo suku mu ho no.
When it's time for classes, some of the class there will not be chairs in the class. So the students we manage. You see that students will be pairing with one chair, which they will not feel comfortable when they are writing.
This place is considered as a center for BEC and NYSC. So during BEC, students come here to write their exam, and we are also here, so it's really affecting because they will be using part of our furniture and we also using part, which is very good.
Chairperson Emma womo anniversary I call so ewo Crouch Senior High School Joseph J. Wise enso edito sukufo no anim se ewomu se womo efa ohaw ahodom nanso no womo emi omoni se womo ebesua de
Monsieur senso association me aya de ama nti e kan se bia mo ba na mo bo furniture so in the classrooms in the dormitories near the furniture so aya
Osofo ya wo hwe ngumesua so Dr. ya wo say educhum so wode to Ministry of Interior nim say nka wo meka wo ho emo wone na tuaye no na wo mo hwe na bambo ntimi enkoso wo bo wo munyapade ho eban no wo hwe famwa wo mo Fire Safety Education Campaign 2023 ase ena Dr. say educhum de sansemi etudwa
education see no mbe nkambo mu na ya dan yesie bia no mbehwe adan no sie ni mu aboa se edan ayesi a seja bia tomu a entimi nsai enema baby to say fire sprinkler baby ohonom a ka wo si school a ese wodi hyemu ejane kan no ana nsuo no aba begu janso na dum no e odan no mu e yade e pese no mo ye ho adwuma baby ese hia fire extinguishers e pese no mo ye adwuma de e kan say pese oye na bi beto o man na bi a enkwala bi ahwere mo nkwa ti ase etimi no mo ka bom no mo behwe adwumadi a ye die no mo timi boa en no mo nhihye no etimi boa na ye si schools a ebe ma mpuntuo nso akoso ama ye nwomasuo mu.
Wode ne nsɛm atu dwa wie no Chief Fire Officer ɛwɔ Ghana National Fire Service enso ɛde to dwa sɛ enhyehyɛ afi wei wɔn ɛdedi wɔn na wɔtwe ɛda no ɛyade a wɔn ɛde kai wɔmanfo a wɔn yɛ adwuma ɛwɔ nasoɛ no ɛne Ghanafoɔ ɛde fa kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛma egya hyehyɛ abrase.
Distinguished invited guests, as we gather here today, let us reflect on the importance of fire safety education and preparedness. It is not enough to simply react to fires. We must proactively work together towards preventing fires in our various homes, offices, workplaces, and communities, as fire prevention and management is not only a shared responsibility, but a civic responsibility. This therefore requires a concerted effort from all of us, including government agencies, businesses, educational institutions.
And penny for Eda Ankafo, prisons, campo ho. The addition so to pharmaceutical companies and Nimni Obia say enuro no womre won mu bi na say yenuanu ma won ne duafie mu ho bi hu dodo no a wotumi e de ahwesafo yi Adom kase eto so.
Challenges no do so but kakra be kade de yendru semu ye one infirmary fully furnished infirmaries in all the prisons but they are not endru no ombawawa nti ye besre mo the time a obeka wansaze kakra bia wenya endru kakra basic drugs wenya no the brain a ebeboa empa.
Martin Boachi AC wa woda working for the helpless ano nti ekoyi etu saa na monyi a wakoboa na duafo wotwe no wachire
Ikuno any nyai decided say this August no see about prisons and now prisons across Ghana need to minya baby a you bet me a ye oma because of security and home the prison or no near the ye be you nti executives ni members no any nyai the ye kan itibom I fa adwin say ye beba prisons now oma ebi mo a omu da prison wa yen say ebi o ma ye boni bi nti but bibi ena bibi kakra bi na nam so ma omu da ho ena ye de sika kakra ye de ato omu ti so ti omu tumi tue sika no e wo court wa ko omu ntumi ama medua be nam so omu ntumi anya obi amboa omu entue sika nti ena omu eba prisons ya yen say bi a o ma ye boni chinchinia bia ena executives ni organization ne kan ye ho bom ehun say ye betumi aboasa.
Penny Kwanche for Ghana Integrated Aluminium Development Corporation ano Michael Ansan and what the support ama be 177 ya one more to Jamai Mensino emu but I no say one mo so ebe fasa kwanya iso nansa no nyuma ahodo ombetimi ayede aboa won ho ne wabusia
obi okra wetumi a start etumi a employ nka obi okra wetumi a expand the business obi okwa ne nkwane obi a ohye nifi sebi ne kunu ni ono ohye mofra ono oye bibia nti nipa sa wonya sa support na e woni obi bi wo bitimi ya nti menya emia ne kan na meti nya constituency executives kan na meti nya not around na meti nti program ya ye program ya design specially say ebebo am ya
manfo bi a wonya sa moe mu emfaso ene amane boni etwetwe nkomo.
I thought say I know so that but the same me be who say any scam a real because we need shoes bags and it has really helped me. Minyaje chief nyani show pa ansabwa odi abwa na odi abwa ye ma constituency waye mwa bebre na sisi amekasi wa mayiska ma ye bitimi de hye ye twuma mu empo nia oni twuma ye hye bitimi de hye ne dwuma na ebeboa ye mpa esane se wo yo ba na se wo nyi twuma sisi be matimi bu kwasi akwa na okoba wo yi
Penny Warhead Secretary Dema People's Redemption Movement Party. Edward Adade. No, they took Ghana for you name say Yamfa Yahumedom People's Redemption Party, a movement party. No, na Ghana, ye pese yes, no. Yet to me, Edro home, or more ene a manual bet to me a boy near dream, what's I home. Central phone share Mudia say no, the sun say me, Etuja.
Yes, say, Ejimani ho. A month for Christ through. Sorry, Kunkume cause so not insecurity for our people. Standing my way, die so. Unemployment, accommodation, instead of using the state resources to build capacity, say, a month for Benya or Mwejima ye, baby or Medana and Encoso. Yeah, or Ghana. Office said, the Ecos no or Ninja or Persian changing Yamano Mekayan. So Bana says any panel crap as so deep president will any problem here. Yeah, Tiekuno Magana for. Anybody can come and take over any position that the person can.
Director of Election Emma Ekui, Reverend David Ampofo, and so editor just say.
Yeah, movement. Ayo na movement no ye Pan-Africanism. Pan-Africanism etum said ye dikan for Ghana first president can say ye de ye ma abibifo akwanya ye nso ye betumi a kire wiase nyina say ye nso ye betumi abu ye man yi ahwe ye ho so yi ana fe osach jefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ni ideals any achievements oye wo Ghana ha ama ye nyina hu say ampa ne breso no o kire say obibi ni betumi abu o man yi.
Lands Commission penifo atena CBM ye niema hodo a bema Ghana fo yenya wo mu gidie ewo niema ya na ekoso obetua sika sa nso onsanka say digital na no mo edeba be ye wo no adwuma se be ya obi madu sika ni ne be wi akire nso wunya mfaso nti a odi sika no koye Adom TV etwaso
and ensure that there's also systematic titling. When we did title in the past, we were doing it sporadic. So they pick one parcel here, then they go and pick another parcel in airport. What we want to do under this land reform project is to ensure that we move from plot number 1 to number 2 to number 3, so that if we take one area, the entire area will be covered. And that is what we mean by systematic titling.
Deputy Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Benito Usu Bill, and so the two just say, one more better say, Goro boys, one more Adom Ashesa Lands Commission, Jumedianum, one more by your money in Ephraim.
Enna, say, no, a year, a barefoot, Merasonia was he say, see a Timmy eti, a yen's answer was one a woman, and cramp wood, you know, Titru, a fat. And Sasa so and Seminole, as he a timid tissue.
Or Sanso editor man for and him say, Omoncoso and Yajidie, our commissaire him.
There be a drew ne being here, say, ye bet to me a disica, a shim. Says he can a debe shimono, ye bet me the be a year mapping. Ye bet me a year area map, area photography. Yes, sir, you did play a Ghana map. You trying a picture, pictorial maps. Na and no, I current near to me a use. I must be a for net media year, Juman Tentum.
A Kobia were fra one who concerned youth of Jomro. What Jomro Mensinimo war Western region said 1 more year yet more dear tier 1 penny for war or Sergeant for power badge and what. Womaton ameni pebi esusu se womo ye scraps Adom kase etwaso
Sama ya kan no badge na ayira no kwasa ayira nti onna number MC Louisa Ade omeji ni petition no wadwane nti na ya kan se eyasofo nyina obia ntiebi no say MC no wadi biomo yes sending this strong message to the president say e kan bia so obefa obetuma yi MC na duo no yes so no onyi ni fi wo but wa massa bebo aye obeso be wiya no azuzu no aseye
wɔn edi to dwa sɛ anamo assembly no entuye emfa nhwɛyɛ sɛ ɔsagefo power badge no scrap dealers bi a abeto dwa sɛ wɔn akɔtɔ no ɛyade a entwa kwan mu kra ɛno ntini wɔn de to ɔmampani Akufo-Addo enim sɛ anamo municipal assembly no etu no opani ɔda ɔma no ɔnhwɛ na wɔnyi ne mfiri o ɛmabunu bi a wɔn de wɔn ho ɛhyɛ demonstration nim ɛne Adom News nsɛntwerɛfoɔ ɛkasa no nsɛm sɛ ne bi mu so de to dwa
se bibia yiwa what is here bisano what is here bisano what is here bisano ajapadi ayade maaye yasori ayehu yakofre Louisa Ade honorable abisana onio wajane nemo leta na yade buy also one day yabaya petition yabaya petition the Ama parliament yabaya petition the Ama special speaker yabaya actual petition the Ama Ghana president nemo ayade yabaya so by a fa media no so ade akata your president animani ya kwandia
Penifo ye National Youth Authority ano ya wokendi ni ya Pius enam hajide wamo akonsra wo Chief Justice ho na akodi nkomo bebre ye bebo ya tentene de koso ho Adom TV etwaso.
I have the singular honor and duty to convey the decision of the governing board that it would please the young people of our country if you would be kind enough to partner with the National Youth Authority as a patron for the celebration of our Golden Jubilee anniversary from January to December of next year.
Mami Ejia Tumuse obey one patron no and what did you just say when ne asoya hodwa a judicial service mu adwendwene ho sebeya wobetse justice clubs e wo schools ahodo mu sebeya wo mema adusuafo enya mranimu entity.
I accept this request to be a patron of the youth of this country. I accept it with a sense of privilege, because I think that when a group of people ask you to be a mentor and to be a patron, what it means is that you are what they would like to be. One of the projects that I'm bringing into my time of leadership is what I call the Justice Clubs.
Mayina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na no pay ha na berma kwan na ye de asie aseda no ye wo de a emrani adaje a wo de tie kase no ntim bra so sa wo kwa Awurade mfa nkomra asomdwem de wo chire do so de bon krata no wa ha online stories no so aye krado agudie mo nsam beba health tips and so ebeba hypertension in pregnancy ne beto so nemmom mamsima kitwa ni enkoje sankrato emra kwasi ba be kame ho na fe yato so enko ba bia ye kwaba mwakwa babiem some catch us say yenche nti ebrano so said the bon krata no ayensa kana no pay ye de mamo na fe adomonline.com so some ne de ba incoming kwasinsia Bismarck ejina na so e wo ha kan wo bonitri nko say ya
oh yes ame
mwakwa ba
mejo sofia
e bia
boko de na enura man show ye fa cheme
e de ame boni be no ya me fa je de na wo
pay na penfo atwi ma adwene se say na de nkura de kofam kakra nu afa ho pa
oh ready hu bobo
enu afa ho pa kakra ka example ni ni se mu hunu kwasi ara de dia
yo ari me hefo
bibia boko de ehye ye
onyami adom
de ya mi asari a chim bi
wa mama sri stress ni nyina akọ hypertension bi akọ
ade a chim si obedi di oni di o ade a
chim wonko ade nyami aka wo afra ne mapa no ho what you say
enko so nyagidie se ebesie ye ebewie ye fagidi ya okodro ko adwumem fa ko odwa so bompa ye fagu ne ma akoton so na wo fa nsapan mafie why
ka to ho se nebesi
wuye
fia se busuafo obi aho ye
nyamiado
boys no mo ne o mame
nyamiado
bo ye de se odije ne so ese boys mo mene no fie ho gba unkwa we another ayi eho ayi adomonline.com ada de American wani nyenwu anase
nkan sa se ye wie no na
ye wie be me kasa me manusi na de adomonline.com so unkwa we ayi mu ansa na nkura na beka ho erade mana ho den o de behwe boys no nye easy sa nti na afa ne yankoi menkwa Adom online okay nti adomonline.com nsam na wo animo ha no pay any free SHS also over 2.7 billion Ghana cedi paid to food suppliers since 2017 nti ehwa asem ne nya bre na tenase na kenkan obeti ase gomon so ya rohosta menro asade de etom animo no car runs over SHS students during float 7 injured. Mete kura na mse ba kokura de ofum Adom kase ye de eba na enran so away medwene wa kwasi man arrested for slashing landlord's head and what hwa ye ntime fan to and na chese kwasi ye ready hu ye mobo na we ne me be mfifie be ya no mahu se kwabran ni kura kotokuro and then nam so be anim say ono ane dua na say eh no pano and emuno so ano aye fiko nam say eh na wonko aba ma nam ha wona nam akura kotokure ene de obenya ne de
efiammo asemia twuma adwena simbi so Ghana Prison Service officers na the prisoners no koye edwuma yes remo ubehie bi wo ka kom na efiammo stress kan ye kitase kan obi a oda ne dwafie ni esu okoye adwumaden ni de nam kwa ho mempese meka se prison officer na apena ma boys na stress ka
no de so mo ananim de o no sa de ne nkyeremu no ese ba
because sad no udwu enanom si ring road central efia mrante miensa isho mu blue atari kuta sekan yo eti so makodo mo ba afre sa do mo eko
no
ya begina o kan nim
sa de na ese ayi prison for be kire yemu
enye
samudo mo kodo no me I think ese bambo no because nipa ba ko no
yes
I don't know and well ebia omunye so ayi hidden from say hardened criminals no mum na mum ebia de
enti nipa de onim ni obehia no traffic nim because nipa de sebi bibia betimi am obi aboafu enti na first na police for the I want to to me can was man yam omajai
because
first to mu
soja ni ya nyame fa ne crazy ekosi weekend ono ane de ote ho ana o'clock ama ede ne consider
first what to me say please need the etuo afro
na me post ni kwa me etuo ben kwa me tumi ho because one shed that assign to me see na ba
ti ya be sro mo
no de
emrante da modu omokọ adwumade ne eye si enya ka bi mfomu ntremo at least ye pekwa betimi akrakra mo kakra si eja so man na traffic no mo stress ka na so stress ka kwa na okọ afa no bi okuta sekan
de wi ase ni petrim ase kwasi asama de we mu nyina barro sam na fie rapapa bempo jesanya ni fie na fuo en won hwe somba no na me se papa no ko ye na ohwe de wa ye fuo no wanye ni ye en wo ka enti sebe ye na kwabrane se wo na chi se no de si na hu fonyi na
na me hu ya mabo
60 years na akwa na wodi awu no so am se obe 46 or 47 okunu free enti ya rohosam adomonline.com di aba yase Arise Ghana to join NDC picketing at BOG headquarters enti no so ba adomonline.com na wajebre akenkan New Patriotic Party so se ba umia will win MPP superdelegate election research research ne dey see abeg e very research ya ko see 2024 ya mo research ye no obi ka sembi ni je ku ya ni adia security analyst we are jumping ni ECOWAS here na adia we ECOWAS omuko ye na ne MS say obi ka say na ya na security analyst for
analyze it
as your friend no na okunko be kasa yesre ye de be frɛ mo de na ya na mo me anya study
unya ibi amenkasa
ya mo relax my
daily guide centralized registration would deprive Ghanaians page 6 and Miss Benfoni Ewa Sanso and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Sufoni Ewa or say I don't want John Mahama drama in quotation mark. Dr. Ernest Addison Bank of Ghana Governor Sufoni also 60 billion Ghana cedis was technical loss. BOG fight back. NPP ready for Saturday. NDC stages protest against Addison comes to the pitch of Kesa Ato forcing minority leader. Daily Guide Enonom. The Chronicle the Bokata and so Enye. Bond repayment make or break for NPP's quest to break the 8. Bank of Ghana, why we lost 60 billion Ghana cedis in 2022? Haircut, COVID-19, etc. all cited. Details of how UK ratings agency is predicting Baumia's victory. Lands Commission promises to fight against corruption. NHC declares installment of Kwawu Pepiasi chief as null and void. The Chronicle. The Daily Statesman. NPP cares about women. Mimidia. NIP boss engages over 500 Nasanti Achim Central. We are poised for credible polls. NPP assures aspiring presidential candidate. NAFCO 2.7 billion Ghana cedis paid to food suppliers. Bank of Ghana. We adhere to zero financing policy. The Daily Statesman. The Hawk. Baumia tipped to win 72% in new polls. Hey, so Kopao, ne can marry. Kennedy Akompreko Ejapon pledges to compose a heroic song if he elected president. Atudazi says it is senseless to pay energy debt recovery levy. Osafmafo urges education system reform. Hey, Tinikachu. Krachi in Chumru, the district struggling without tarred roads. Asemo. Men's gold chooses pin code, drops verification fees. But I'm someone for Chiayo. Now we are no asaba besuagu so na yenye. Say akwa we adwen kase na ode teme mu. Adwen kase na em go say wona mu freezer. Bibia anya. Hey, na wo ebe na omugu na te say wo bu ma abra ma so. Wa bu asa abra so. Wa yesika wo horada. Wo say ebe tuama yen so ho times. Oh no say onim the client no. Ometua because any pan open second say 650 na ebi mu de millions na down to 650 na dey there because your name say na the sika say on the gold value of 48,000 Ghana cedis and the side for so you say 750 Ghana cedis no the kucha no benya 48,000 mo nya sa ba na ekọ say to wan tia so anyam nwanwa bibia ni wan so ebe ye no bibia no ebe ye just ase ni also bia women's gold bia the two team say osika na hye nyame ya wadom na nsaka o say ye onye ska wo bibia no afie besi this is Ghana and then so ekoso and sika enim entinye issue ora mun koso na mo fa dwen kase mu nkrofo mfa so mo ye package na e fra kono ene nipa hia mo antini e pesika bumu ne mfa so bumu ntini e de hu ne aba be hyem na wi a wasa akoda adwene hu on another strategy aba esi enchia 650 Ghana cedi no mo fa meje o sada no am cry ba tell no ene nya go do no say ene one of them Kasai Foster yeah wono ne papa ne maame na o se de omunyina sik te say ha drink na o say package no na akono na ye enticing se ebetimi atwa mo ma start bi nkakra minimo bi ono so aye bi a wajeje wo mu a on sa susu no oto ano matu sa wa ye bi a obi dia so tuma no ano so adana ayi yes dan bi o wakukura si ba bi school dan bi no bi sika na adekosi school dan o ji say ready papa jai what nanim guase no ya doso amanfo no afia si awon hia manipa atra anim guase ani arasam na no waka no ya ni manipa atra kon ye be fa so be survive nese ni pa ehwe se mampani kwa na se obenya akonya ato ni botomu a obe fa no akoye ni ache na gura ni mu ase obe okay yes sir because obi a ho kire no to nim so ode ba no wa crowd e de ama no say say wa pesusu ada ka she ofio say ya bosumi bia usika na abete 100 ato e show dem na de koma kwabna in the name of obedi o panu so awunya sika no wunya ase hwe timesro obi amana ni na ho mo ni na ho wa po susu adaka bi saboso me na be so ana 3 months 6 months bi e be so na de akoto bank no so pepapa what you say bumie ni na wona nkofo adwen kase ne do so
obi edidi obi ho obi ya kwan bi obenya fa hu bia no ofa ho no aba baji sika
sa de achi amanfo sika hye nkrofo botom
eyampa sasa na ye ka no enye say by math
ade achi obi sika hye botom na obeka ma nipa na te ase ya ma no ene so obi adwe
obi ho ya bono ayi communicator na no wonda waka samba ku mienu to no oye homodwe asa aho aka wasama mo eya adwene eye niam esisie wo mamu na obi atena se plan na ode abegu so ayesa asofo no mu bi
oh yes
obi a challenges
if you na me ye ma me madwadefo ya a comments go because we him say odidwa no matter what sika de ko hye untimi nya 10% within a month no obi abeka cho say we discuss sire ba me ma wo ho edu bo so ba kontem we mi say die no discuss na kwa akoye go do cry yet on the say enso bia to no nya 10% so se nka Ghana ban sika de enka buburu jawo na asori edem watimi kukuru Sunday collection any asori accountant Aisha won say tell me fa twa because the project dey the next 3 months it will cost 2 months no age for Sunday asori sika na sa back na ka akwaji kwa na asa de mfa so akra kan kwa nkenya issue ene na kobu akem Adom TV ma asori
no ma waja po omo awu ne doso omo anya BP ne doso na wa wo yesa eye na samba ku bi nso a dachi tsena de pa bi chi ebeka ne mema no ani diemu mo hwe nkura no munya ne mfata mo
and etai
oba na oni ni wo problem akura na wo de na ba wiase no odi mu hwe tare na so ono sofa na wo nam ba mamu a abota pocket didida a wo hwe oba eno ade life
nam for sira dan so sire bi
de no de nti wo yesa yema me dwen wo ho amenti ase akura no de menya na de no no de wonye mfomso se me na woni me wo problem a deal with me ba wo mana se de ye na obi nim daachi mamonye sa na mo ha nkwada mo ha mani mamonye sa na oba tan de ahomete no waka na no aduro ne nkra nya na o mawu
yes
because we need abofo bia na so no be ko na nkra be sofa de ye nyina ye nkomo
you see there be ya ka so sefia enye de bia na be ma ho ye but se oba na no no etiase a ya odie ne be bafo so na mu trentra mo ni medi nyamasem but wo de obetimi uti akopem manya bibia di
mama nyesa
da bi enye why wo hwe na untimi nwu a enye by force enye obia na be wo wiase obae
ene ka kire wo nti me nyina no so ye beto asa nkomo no so ha dwen wo ye bi agya wate se wa dwene se oba ni nti wo hwe akora na enye oba no na wo panish na ya akora no nti anu de agya me da se obaye ne sa ye kwei Professor Yike wala sa ye kra do de agudie mo nsem beba na watching so hypertension in pregnancy ehun komanu aye body tofa ho de ma ye ne e de ne causes hypertension in pregnancy ana so ba benyem no wanya mujaboso nti eno so ye de bebro after sports na fe mambo atema ebeba de ahosepe no ebeba semidika e wo ho na fe mpensem mu abenne Doctor Afia Kutuana obeba
the incoming flag bearer
Doctor me fi ni pe bi etise
patriotic
that why you focus na ye de wo
man the people's choice
anu say ya
Doctor Owusu Afriye Akoto tops all
yo ntino obeba Badwam kwasini no e wo nkomo na nyame yaduma fe djubadi aka ne doso tweye Prof Eba
akwaba kese bi de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwumdwumadi so dia wo kense ho sempan sa kana no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya econo quantum credence model and sakana no pensu bi e Ghana agudie ejao catch abusuanfo namfo oyere oma wo fase fo nananum okunum no mpranfo nyina se prof anya transia de nkoma hodo en saka Ghana agudie 18 saba chane so mam senyuma kodie mienu Richoko omoden adase opeso spice we dey now start we dey right there Richoko no e oketo e wadantem anafe obode e ho no setimi ka bia e betia aboa nkwala no betia no papa ne maame so betia bobi abusuanfo ne nafofo nso ba o betia sa bobi nti bomoden ada se onsa betia ka Richoko no betimi ne so hia obetimi nso e de ensunyu so etimi asaye e ba cho go ahead and reach your day na start today no with Richoko the Ghanaian way ye kano na game park limited from paying for sadama the success on quitting about we chacha na boys dia 18 na nyasem keto krabusia omodi ada so do hu betia sa gym na also wetimi nya game park limited for success on ko dia bay the newest lottery operators in town na medium more dance dia chero no na de bia no wo e draw no eba be semprensa anopa bes no kronom dia ba 12 pm mo sa de ba na 6 pm so de ba Adom TV so ana san share so kwi 8 course from Monday to Sunday ana san share so kwi 20 sa ba fisa breko fa ho gimu bi o dial star 946 hasha na wetimi play na boa e ma osika sem so etia kwe from 0 to 9 4 numbers and I'll betia select na for the distance so kukwe no so betia sa boy let's play this game na fi en cash out na fi intimi enya mula gosh ga kudi eno hye so kukwe dia ba ka game park game na wajum se more mula more power esa hye so queen National Lottery Authority phone pay for bomutin kwa jepene to che dia mom sampa omo yade na fi so kwani mu firi nwatwam so e fa hunyi wemu ene sponsors mu tututu ne twetwe twom techira boa emena no penso dia wo kensi hu sempa ensaka etimi ejao encha se fanfi EPL matches awodo no so etimi esanto from Crystal Palace enra outstanding game amne Arsenal for the boss no transfer Arsenal twemeka bako entimi ante Charlie Racing and out in the castle didn't come 8 years about Heston and bicycle so we make a brand new between 2 years now watch Shelley and Fraser Price Bosumi do mu prekese e America tum na entintom e Ghana so nkomum dia na se Ghanaian high jumper de tini Deborah Akwa ono so osuwa na osu ni na se o se ya neglectium e wo mutwumadi a mudim despite se mo de mo aboho esi o e gba for dia ma Ghana na so be sisabri nyama 8 sam kwe dia mo compete through injury and o win bronze medal e Commonwealth Games about so in 2022 na o de interview ni 8 times so Budapest no ne nkomo a odija e bioni
performance, even though it wasn't expected. I was expecting it. Like, not to say that I wasn't prepared to do whatever that happened, yesterday, but looking at the whole of last year coming into this year with this whole injury, no help coming from anybody, it was very challenging because I ended up having to take care of my own self, spending money on this same injury, and then still not, seeing any improvement. Again, I had to come back again. It was still the same. So at this point, I was like, the season's almost, close to an end, so I should just come and then do what I can do. So that was
Deborah Akwa wrestling the Messi course and another real and I think now the injury home and so etmi asabija our hand team come on so etmi World Athletics Championship and also 18 years to join him. After entering Tom football catch a month for and say September Bosunum, Bibia Mikrema, Ghana Football Racing, Elective Congress between Samba, so 18 years Jenum, Yadi Kukumutating Team Krata, so 18 years FA President for Fra, between State Affairs of Football or Ghana, and a vet in 18 bars over the Swiss Alisa Hotel in Krampuni Mantema, na air candidates, Minua, one more April FA Baton, a Cat Edwin Simeon or Krakud incumbent on Nete Kunyaso. And I feel so former Vice President of the Ghana Association, George Akwesefie, one with money 8 years such George Akwesefie, an interview, and as we a veteran, then come out on a central for Boom Punipuno or the Jaibini.
The integrity of the personnel or the gentlemen on the committee are very high. I personally, before going into this vetting, did a background check on them, and I realized that these are people who will do their job diligently. These are people who don't have any personal hidden agendas. In spite of some of the things that I've heard before going to this vetting, I'm sure it was already out there that you'll be disqualified. I mean, if you are the media, you've heard it several times. But I believe in them. The questions were normal questions, was about football. And as you are already aware, this is not the first time I've gone through vetting. This is my 5th vetting. I've done vetting when I first contested for the executive committee position. I've done vetting from 2005 all the way down. And in 2019, I went through vetting. So vetting is normal, and it was engaging. I mean, these were questions related to football. And to me, I answer the questions to the best of my abilities. And I think that I've given them an insight, very insightful conversation. It's been a very insightful conversation.
And George Kwesi Free former vice president of the Ghana Football Association, Japanese Mafia, and attending council of the Nkomo 18 Senja, say, or covert and team Sanko, Banco for a Sinkunya, ABC some seminal or more Ehutra, and into GD passing Yama between 2 years. Cat Edwin Simon or Kraku, the incumbent, or also the Nkomo 18 Santo just still believe.
Vetting. The vetting, obviously, is a statutory requirement and put together by the Elections Committee, which is an independent committee of the FA. And each one of us, obviously, will have to go through. I would say that it was good. There were a lot of questions for my good self. But basically, it's about the statutory provisions on your forms, whether indeed you signed the forms, whether you have met the statutory requirements on the form, i.e. the member who proposed you and the 5 required members who are needed to support your application. And then obviously you have to go through the integrity session, whether you've made your tax returns. So if you don't pay your tax, you are in trouble. And whether you've not made any false declaration whatsoever in relation to this opening. So I think that it was smooth. I'm very confident that given what I shared, I'll go through successfully, and then we'll be ready for the elections. Like I say all the time, football will always speak, and today football has spoken, and football will speak on the 27th of September. We've just
Ket Adwin Simon Kraku, FA President, Nathan and Council, also passing through vetting and review, and not in Como 18 to the second part of the vetting and Yamiadma, and then a bit out of Femnafia, whom Kofahudwa, also the Omani 18 Sanchim, James Aquasia Pia, Kumasi Asano, IMC member, Ominadio Manit and Sacha, Kofa, Vetinima, Yamiadoma, and who will be now between Sabetri. But the uncle A Kumasi Krobia Asando Kofa Kachia, IMC Chairman Edema Kumasi Asando Kono, a Nana a Apinkra Kwesiwa, and also the Nkomo Cretin Santu. Just another say we can use on them 2-4 or say to 2 or t a guaso sia kotokura on one casa a bomb pemped the nitman sanchili mu el baby a kotoko a training na one more be a manye na encomo 20 ppm no and so be chess ampa or rest in my AC of course na then say 2-4 say to 2 the second then ya said this time or makotoko I crab and so say ne juma dia wodi na kotoko kwa and a good animasi.
Send your team, no, what's your phone? A chain. Yeah. Emra, or one cassette car, also. Wabo, Yama, the secretary, and from who's up when I'm from Waka. Now you're the air per se to support, also, never back. And remember now, we make this a Wako, I could do one more year. And a friend, chief of staff, comes and said, now, that's all Marco, a whole beer in Boswako. And she was so good, I guess they say, no, as in Bosse or some.
Entine se ne piemu efi Kumasi Krobia Asante Kotoko so akache no na ye komu bion elections e beba so nyina no Alhaji Abdul Karim Gusa, founder and bank ruler of Kumasi Kemfaisa, owner of Kumasi Kemfaisa, and then the oldest football administrators in Ghana. Or the Nkomo ka create say just said ne yakoso nyina no we abato na ye ba beto eye FA president din ansa ne beto mu didi so no ono de onim penfo nyaadwe we ase afana nyina eto nkola mu di assembly members ne de ansa na mepem no ya beto presidential enti san hyehyɛ ne follow betian boa enti no a wampene amotabiri nsem no e de akopiem e court
president they say me de court se me monitor kora me hami
what they call that ben
and then ya sebu GFE yesebu anya wo mu jani ba ti anya achi o manya achi asebu
omu dwane
na we are the papa de mu dwane.
Oh, so je fe omrani for bre omu ye nkofo akoto omu di on sa so nti e de na omu dwane.
You say who dey bisa. Camera captured number be.
Wow. Na once I'm saying how they akopie mo court no.
Me asam say you want Ghana say be election ye district election assemblyman na be election kitchen and say na be MPD asano ma be MP ni president, you know. Sana we say the first year nim say sano. And you say obi and the selfish interest no bet na radio to say omuno omo tumi say umbe de no mo pe.
Nti Alhaji Abdulkarim Gusa enenra anadwo de sum o confirm why say wetabiri nsem de akopie mo court wa 7F bibia mbetwema na say 30F no nyame adoma obehia FA phone panyimfo no court na fam we bua no enti ene wo hwese ne mesi koso yeto FA president dia nsa ne beto o ma ewase ne de we ni nkoma eno so atimi SPM the brand wo hwese ne mesi koso Accra City Marathon omso eden hihye so kwatun santen tam so na ni na marathon America brania ya na yetimi to nsa de fa manfo wa chichi ne benche ma omutimi betubi next year 2024 omugili pass nyame adoma ne ma betia koye dia masan hihye eno so 18 no president of the Accra City Marathon Eric Kwame Ade ono so ede nchechemu kakra timi senjan for red lunch and a purpose ntia omo air lunch no
launch organization rebranded it and relaunched it and also now came up with a new road running event we call the Accra City Marathon. It's billed as Ghana's premier first class marathon that is set to rival the very best of marathons all over the world. If you go to New York, whether it's the New York City Marathon, London Marathon, Boston Marathon, Berlin Marathon, Tokyo Marathon, we want them to realize that we also have something that can really rival what they are doing, and want this to be a way in which we can showcase the brightest and the best in Accra, Ghana, as well as what Ghana as a country has to offer. And we want this to be a thing that will attract people from the four corners of the globe to come here and take part annually in this road running event. It's one of the special events that we are creating and going to organize as a Runathon Ghana Foundation, but we're also going to have various road running experiences, events to be spread throughout the year. But this is going to be the first marathon that we're going to have coming back from our break since 2016.
Entines we enhye sonko kra no so betia saba so Accra City Marathon Eric Kwame Ade ana atene kan se ode ne komo etien se jafa se na hye ne bisi akọ ewo afidie mu we su na megina na maso ye kode na mape ba bia fa na afim kuma wodo na etien sa to so Adom TV so na hu se Boatma etime atwi nanim se kama kana no hyenhyen ase ne okono moja nyame adoma wo betene kan se ode entertainment etime abrel entime so bomodi ada se obema abusuafo na TV ne ho na Game Park Limited omo ne guso etachiraboa medicine shares some create message out all networks or that is *946# *946# so bitia kan Adom TV so na no pa no nkron ana fe prem tobre ana fe nwenu nsia so ye betimi edodo na etia sabra office abre ko de fa ho jim isanse boys dia AD no enye asem keto akra ka Game Park games a no waje so say more mula more power afin so regulated by the National Lottery Authority and afi oni mu fe ngotwa so fa ho jim Game Park Limited o me share some create saba o hwe app na gameparkgames.com set me koma obetia boa ama so wetia di chacha foforo kra ye di aba bi sa so na Richoku anopa bia no o set me kan Richoku obetia sa boa ema odi no wetia starting right Richoku ebo adwuma too much family no ehia Richoku nti ba bia we kwa shopping bia bomodi ada se Richoku ebetia abam na Richoku no affordable ne bo no eda fam ye woketo ye wadentem ana fenso ye obode horma o set me ka bia no 1 kg eno so betia boa amanyama etia kwedi ama thanks to Richoku omo eboa ema wa customize with no every day bia with nourishment. Inti go ahead, enjoy Richoku, start your day right with the Ghanaian way. We Richoku what dance here and also medebro. Me the profit wala sa good cash back open am of course. Evidence based presentation it mejaw. Erade entene ni manya okese in be the Sony and found ko be the so. The act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Amemwa kwaba from Adom TV Badwam health tips eso. Na wochi yedi nkomo afa hypertension in pregnancy eno adwo do chichiri mu ene ye hwe causes and as risk factors it is hypertension in pregnancy no eba ti afidie no nyi free ha ne ti hye no so ebeboa ye pa dog na so me akwa eno ade ye mfa mu niema ana hypertension in pregnancy ma na pese e risk factors and as causes ye deba
good into unse BP to say there see what other population no yenim ade potia edeba but there were risk factors it is for opimfo no e wade e fe no extremes of age so when you say na umfie no ye less than 20 years risk wo
okay
and 35 years and above so risk wo and first time when you say no so risk wo and as when your new partner when you buy my for na nya enyi say so and so risk wo and now when you be there and also another risk and our condition be to say kidney problem and also risk or diabetes or more akasefo no obesity ni na risk factors for BP will be developing hypertension in pregnancy. Yeah, so these are some of the risk factors. Yeah.
It's no sado ebi mo ho de am sure say ye ba ye na amuhu. Ebi so when do you see them?
And to us, our bantineta, you check his annual money, you check BP, you check Johnson, you check protein, any glucose in urine, other things, maybe our weight management, and as for you check history. And to be no only into true measurements, na no one say be a BP no so. And at every antenatal visit, biano. You check BP no mouth. It is who say was ra na ya hear bibia fa.
Okay. Enti de wabobo so ni nyina no ebi ye de ho na no true nyinsen mu no mutime ebre na se wo ho ana.
Yes, enti nyinsen no na most of the omo a na omu ni BP dada. That means nyinsen no na de BP no by and as BP no develop wo echirade no at the placenta level. Enti enoma bi ese ekosoma wo BP no normal. But san your man intimi nkoso na we develop for BP nti obi wo ha nyinsa ni mu na yehu but the bitimi aya ne say ye be ma we dru be ma BP no aba form but omo
obanyima onum ne BP adru
yes ye wo BP adru ade ma ma omonyem nye ni nyina na ede ma omo nti there was special ones are safe in pregnancy.
Okay. Okay, so do obi owo ni BP dada no onum de dru no onyima ono no
nti sai dru no it's not if it's not safe in pregnancy a best salmon.
Okay.
Yes, a best salmon. Yeah.
Okay. There is no ehun
bia nim. And as uncle for no cry ya na ye recommend so mbe ya de be friend preconception care. So wo BP na yare bia wo so answer na obenyi se na so ko hu doctor. They make sure say your condition is well managed answer na nyinsen na aba.
Okay. And also sa ne bia da ho no. Okay, yes. But I don't know say enkura under 20 onu benya BP. Wonder say oh you okay.
Into where mechanism and then my the ban pan who say omo that age no enoma be some kind of genetic predisposition be womb and some substances be at the placenta level no body no be and then omo ye at risk the same way so omo no so almost most of the time na ya na intino this is high be bem na ma BP no ba
ye betwa so ti ya hwe signs
risk factors
and causes ti any echina nyame yadoma fa ye fa ne signs and symptoms ti ena de ne ye di see ha shadow so sana watchi ye di nkoma fa hypertension in pregnancy watchna my signs and symptoms na fe wo yo pemfo na wohunu sunsun ye we na wohunu ne obeye bidi afia amankwa tamaklo
na hate wa style bia be fedi bia o okay atasa because the time no sunsun no all to nyom no o sunsun and all to nyom mama kwa ba sonko ambra wo se page mezido wo sun for the Fantidol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association and I'm but quickly menga if you man class because hypertension in pregnancy no a very serious issue see that's part of the health tips no was the share the mensam no was the mahen now quickly no young call internationally Michelle Nigeria here I but London Manimu Ahmed Olo Ade a year Nigerian artists or new. They was I don't know what friend get Ashake make you confused. Ashake no come on I'm busy. Is that thing there? Oh yeah, weekendy O2 Arena over London. Yechiremo one of the biggest places are where events one. And now now selling out the place. Make sure to capacity 20,000 people are what board do for this event. It's a very big one. Me sure they even now arrival on the crowd no urban hey Bibia ma yanko share na embrace here. Okay. We are dream party, you know, wow. That was so beautiful. Now the atmosphere itself no crampolo no nyagwa. Actually, most of people were seated. The kind of energy and all them honomo. Yan shono say because no to baby no to lonely no no but yan share honomo so na yembra. Say actually video you honomo but wish day. Nanka ewo hono ashake you do all ayaze papa O2 Arena onye easy they butum abo into capacity now so no etum ayaza no ayaze because very new very new until no you know or history and na ashake oye O2 Arena hono na za otinye there one of the conversations that people want to have about ne show no Tiwa Savage na turn no share no wow. You know, Silva now, I will share Atana Yembra.
One of the fans said, I said, how's the show? She said, it was brilliant. She even brought out Tiwa Savage. One of the fans said, I said, how's the show? She said, it was brilliant. She even brought out Tiwa Savage.
This is so nice. This is so nice. I tell you, very classy. Now, our performance so you see what performance kakra. The way of Freddie backstage in the crowd.
One of the fans said, I said, how? One of the fans said, I said, how's the show? She said, it was brilliant. She even brought out Tiwa Savage.
Okay. Now, trust Ghanaians. They say you bibi dam pe na yenyu abre. You bibi dam pe na samaba because now you begin to ask questions on more point fingers into immediately no on social media, make sure Twitter no. Now, hey. A lot of celebrities be reacting to them eventing into no my years can share Shatawale Neza Obe Bochrowe. Shatta Obocho quickly, I think they're not all congratulate Ashake. Now wearing Shatta on can't no Kodamara Mobadem Biarano or the Kakra or the Bowo Obi. Into no Campanamu share reactions from social media. Now so no before that now my young share a very hilarious video on the internet in the Jackie Apia. Minim Nimposman. Uko koye dempa yanshana embra.
Okay, you can do it. It's okay.
So if I want to leave it, I can leave it, right? Yes, you can leave. And then do what? I can do anything I want. I can't even hold my.
One down. Come with me here. Sitting position.
Why do you know I can't do it?
Huh?
I can't do it.
But it's too late. I'm already locked here.
No, but let me tell you something. I beg, Bolan, don't let me go.
Go.
Bolan, don't let me go.
You can do it, Jackie.
Bolan, I swear.
You can.
Bolan, do you know I'm afraid now?
Yeah, but I said did it, so you can do it.
Close your eyes. You got the helmet.
Hey, Mama was superstar. I want to one bossy. Now so in Padam and I mean the man the master, we are some skin and Pamon try. Never and never. But at least when you could do quite could do. But interestingly, no baby, I'm try you so I better get some cook and won't you share you. No, as about it, that is Jackie. Now, quickly, no, my young share reactions after I share ni event no O2 Arena. Shatawale, but the Nigerians, they are making Ghana music look like feeding bottle. Stray bullets, penny, feeding bottle, pa, compared to Hennessy bottle. I say, congrats to Ashake, man. You guys, they run too fast. Us Nigerians know run too fast. Music industry no more. Now, on you there, I say, some Ghana man say, how do they do it? Me. When you stop judging people here like you are angels, I think we can get the formula. Nigeria is winning big time, my people. And so, no, Shatawale is original, ma'am. Debiara no ye show one weaknesses negativity no na ye promote wo krom ha pull down ye botwe we san CCA ono no ye priority ye fanto nchen na ye support ye ho irrespective of za wo be ye bia no we nyimpa tinke ye nyinto nchen na ye mpia hon dem roba ya nke botu na ya match up into no Shatawale na oze yi be ma ye nhwe efia odo. So no comments, no so about your baby. I say it's not because Nigerian artists are better than Ghanaians. Also Nigeria for Nigerian why better him bia. No, the way better batimum or support here. I say it's because they get 100% from their people. Ghanaians are too busy pulling each other down. It's not mekeno, machata mekeno. And if you're so by louder is my hand. And so no, some of the reactions are on social media. I think them who familiar so there's also you're stressing too much. Familiar say you who then Nigeria for no compare no quickly. Yeah, because you pay when you're depression and because them frustration you all could use it. Debbie. Family also buy into it. Say when me hear so muhundo kada yenje da ya compare. Yenje da comparison no. Into no my young kwe na quickly no yan fa congratulations. No mu oye zonia fa making promise. Minyurike boom play top charts no 100 top 100 African music. Kim promise ne Terminator na otodo 1. Mayenje. It's now number 1 song in Africa. All thanks to you all. Grateful for real. Ghana boy shining. Africa boy shining. It's the Ghana boy shining for me. Kim Promise, congrats, Kese, Pa, Onko, for more top 100 African music. Number 1. Terminator. Meze, I was a page mezono, meze besi had a zino, yet the fantadob that's pade nyambrena and yemi. Yami show be also mason, Mamza was a penal, Meze Brown, Macron.
Yada say yamwakwa baby me Adom TV Badwam so ne mamboatuma yada say ahosepa wode ebreye de edu so no ye ne Dr. Sharp eba bedi enkomahwe na yaresa enu ahodo a wode eboa yen sanyarwa ahodo no nti doc anopai yamwache
Mego so
na bibia boko de
Ewrade Adom TV bibia boko Ghana so ye nimze asomdwenku ana ekoso ye nti asemba na bia
ya Adom ade achi ye ya yenti boni de
saa ne pen yebenya na nkada bia dana yi Ghana te say Christmas day no no obi esrese salad anso a no obi ani agi
Odoroma ye ni nkoboy ye kan Dr. Sharp a dwumadi be na odibua
medase Dr. Sharp de obo saa din na no wakadin kase esanse enye din keke ena Dr. Sharp na enye saa din no nko anso na ye Dr. Sharp the demon chaser the demon chaser din angasa no what you say na edu ba bia de bisie na yede mwa yede buo nipa ebimu edu omo de yesei ebimu edu omo de yewei ebimu kura de omo de polish mpaboa what you say ebimu timi de omo de didi wodi fufuo ni nipa be ye 10 si ho no ma ombedi no ono nkwa betimadi but yede ni esunsum no edema ye ekireye eye habama yede sayade ebo nipa aya ye kasa enye se ye wo aduro echen ebia obi anase kwalebufu anase doctors anase yi memeti honomi hospital yi panie kura menwo obi da menwo nipa panie da what you say menwo ni papa ne da ayi veterinary na matena kakra nti ayi akokɔ de na mawo ba akoda kura ache na misa what ya say but ni papa de me won pa ne da nti enye neoma hospitals no betima ye na ni nyina na yensu ye betima ye me ntimi operate but bibi ya ode a ba haba mamu de a ene ma me to adwenem nafa wa yi to baabi because Dr. Sharp mfeli nipa empayimfo ne ayi nyina enim Sharp haba ne da bia meka me nana mo nanim eye japade a ewa busuanum enye namre mu asem ache me kura no me misua haba ye no kura no be tama jeje ye yi ni nyina ku nyina na me nim haban what ya say betina me yeketekete o na me nim won sa ade ne ye de mawo de ya de amawo ena make sure say se udi akura boni a enkai hunu se enwene se ne wire be fi sa asem ne da o nyini nyina o be fa nso ya akura o enu mom kura na obeka no mo entimi misua na minim haban me ne na nam tren o bura afon kura nsa ye free ene kranka nyina honum nyina ye mpotem what ya say nti ye de haban esa yade e ma ne yehu eburu adwene nti ase so se obi se wachini wode ne yade akokɔ baabi onya ayaresa ewo ho ebi a doctor bi aka kye ne se onum abibidura de ebi mu nsuro no onum abibidura emawo kidney problem hospital de na nsusu kidney no kura ne bi wo mu treat enko o atene be kye na se ye woni oni aduro ene ne owo aduro nti yesu tu mra no a kyeresie tambia no ne me maye bia no me kyerɛ ne wo ho me kyerɛ sɛ wode yade ba ma no na ma ntima anya amawa me do si kama me san susu a challenge obi ase me mo 15,000 Ghana cedi account se man fa amawa report ma nearby police station bia no mo nche sharp what ya say na san frɛ TV na hwe so na gumanim ase mo obi ante se sa me kura me ni aduro me ye 419 what na me kyo na se ebi ntimi su Ghana no da me kita nduro enya aba no nkwa so na me de ye adwuma me otumi anyame de ama me abati asefo asase so a me target no any say enti anu na me ye de ben me gusu a me tu sa anamo no edi akire enti bibie no no me betima make say yade what de me kyo na se abre bia no yare we buy ho no anu adin enu say migration officer ba ko pa panyini pa ena ma me nkira de bi nhyanum yade bebere na no sunsum ni tumi na de ma wo wiase na se opese on towa ye papa fa adwene papa etu anamo na ohombeto ma wa adwene munte no akuma mu anya fita opa ya hwo mo ye 419 eni ade me pa che ese wi o anim guase eni osu eni abenebo me nyi obi esi kanida ade a me ntimi nya me pa che me nka ho asem sana akwakwe papa ne ba honom no unim wa wie wasi wako training bi okọ wie ye no o mama no poso o ko no 2 weeks holiday no aba na taade no kra de man no po ne wako twra yi na nkasa no exact immigration yi no onyanya yo okọ e wa amese na taade no an se ne nan o me diabetes ye twa ne nan no what ya say ne nan na ye twa nso no assign from afrim kwale buni ye yo mo ntimi nye tie e hodom no mo edi no free edi ne ye de ben edi no baaye ma me papa ye challenge ya ma na duro na hwe anwanwasem bi nira na oba be duru ho no mo na ma pie ya ade kakra obedu ho no esa ne ho wo so na komete a enti sao atamfo no pam na ma na firi ho no na ne ho ntimi anya de anto no me ba be bowura ho no ma papa ne ne di nkoma kese esa ne ho adwono te se ne ye di nsuonyunu bi agu na me ka kese ne aye no ma ne nsuro ye ya man we ni aye commandis keke ye ma na yi a osi 6 months or na obeda nira na ye ma na do na obeda ye hu bi ebi na ya pro free fam to ayi bebre ya sa bebre what ya say enti ye wo kwanya ye fa so nso esayade ena sunsum ni tumi ni anwode nso ye adwuma enti me sai aka ama nipa na etie me hwame no bebre dia ye futu sam wo ho a ma me nkyerɛw ade ensuo betima ba be so wahwe ama oyade anase bibia ba enioma na monum no emfa se enwene se nipa bi ye gimifuo ma me uju obi sikadi papa uju obi sikadi a ye careful na obu nipa nse oye gimini wo na ye smart ni ye ebesinya ba no ebebru wa adwen no nti ase so ubetimi aspanis car uji ye ni nyina tamse ne wonum soso no unya hoto eda odofo sa afutuo na na no pemede ma na wasan ya ahwe yie ya de emakeke ya de dodo na no efiri nipa ene ahonhom enti nipa na etie mi ehwame no enye careful wo ye wo yi kakra bia emoa beba aya obi ho no ma otimi kire bibi se wa ye adwuma anye ye mame bosia won se sikafo woni me kire ade bi o afia ne enti sikafo no mmobosia omo wo pesika bi aya omo mfa ma no se usunsumu na ekita onu tumi no se wantimi anya hu bibia enye sika bebre ne yade ye ade o yade ye adwuma o wade ma ebehye wate ne ameto enti no enka wo no wa yi bia enka obisa no chese enka prepare sunsumu nioma no wate ase ebe na ebua no
ye ba Dr. Sharp ho a mo abe no de beboa ye wa pomoden kwan so
ye sayade
ye time na so
obia obeba ehobia no ye guarantee no se ne ho ebe de ebe to no
ma ye number
yade ensa pe na mensa achacha kompo ena kwata apart no yade bia wo de beba ma onum bia mesimenti ma sa ma medu sika be ma memo 15,000 Ghana cedis
ada ma fa number no ma
number se no ena o TV na nim no 0266 14 another 14 6 9 050 554 19 96 abrebia so me ya adwuma consultation 200 Ghana cedis uba bo aho kakra uba na anso a na utua ne kakra ye wo ka so a ADB bank no encha ka so ADB bank ye ba akopɛ sa
enti branch no so ye ba
akopɛ je so ba ye ho nso
sa enfansi ha no pay
ai
ye da se na men kan ho enti Dr. Sharp no contact no na wase no frɛ no na de wa boso de wa moso de ye wa adwene mu bebre no frɛ na won chechire mu emma wo mu ni ahwe ne wo ba bia je se kaso a ho so ADB ne ye ba akopɛ enti ne odu kaso aso pe ADB a ubehu na fe wo call Dr. Sharp ho mene ne nkomo no ye de si ha ne no mamenchia mia menua ba Telma ayede no ewa ha azane mu aye mre kakra nti Telma ye chia wate nyame ema so nti Telma ni ho sa na ede ya birthday na bi bedi yensa no me awehye won mo ye happy birthday nkoma Stephanie Entry we wawofo Mrs. Entry na wo mo awehye Stephanie Entry nyame nyo kese meba nyame enhira wo so efiri adumu enko adumu happy birthday enkoma Stephanie Entry afei happy birthday so nkoma Samuel Apia wo US Columbus Ohio na o wife Veronica ene o brother-in-law ya wo mo Ghana na I will show ora Samuel Apia wo US a happy birthday nyame adom ne nhira no nkoso a enhunu na de wo beye bia no enye nhira emfa mounti ene de momfa nche ye se bia mode efa ye no ye ntimi anfa no amanti wo wudu wo de ne bia ne bosumi we mu bia ne yeguso a wo shimu nyina happy birthday se nyame nyamo kese mame na abofo yi ase Dominion herbal powder wonum bia boost immune system na mo ahoden shonko yade krankro bia no Dominion na ebeyi no afiri ho no pay de wo hia ne wo so hye nye too hot de no wasabi agum no wanom empty stomach eboa pa nwumre so utumi ye ne sa eboa so honam na etwetwe ye wo ya waposo ukotodwe ne usisi a wonya Dominion ointment no bi editwia wona okro no fra 0543 158195 0543 158195 and 0249 591843 should be War Repart Ventures Nana Boache Herbals Angels Herbal Shop Ubenya be enkran Ashaman so Ekus Pharmacy Tama Little George Health Shop Kofodian so Gapson Pharmacy, Delight Pharmacy, or Hinana Heba Usko B Pharmacy and Central Market no Eshenimo. So one more Tony K Pharmacy Bioho, Achimodan, so Nanaya Provision Store ne Kennedy, Drugstore Benjabi, so many and so Nagiza Pharmacy Bioho. Shannon so 12 years ever from Untiminu Dominion 4 powder and ointment and Ibioba Pinfon so Esa. Snete se men kai obia snete ntinto ho no Shannon so senya de oyo obi adwuma na ba adwuma e fon kwa na wo so otua won snete adwuma bia wo ye bia no wo so tumi tua wo snete no ebi sa wo ye carpenter sa wo ye mason sa wo ye driver sa wo ye makeup artist fashion designer baba adwuma bia bobo ya afo munya ska na wo hoden crow sika ne bi fa koma snete fo no mo mfanto ho by the time benya 50 you ko 60 no wo say wo ni ahoden say de na wo no sa sika na beto nro na ma sa sika na be feed enti Shannon son Bora Snate office bia na koya sa registration no na for sika no to 0302611622 now on Snate for Eddie enkomo Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa efie ene ho nti open laptop open phones open TV open air conditioner Franco diaba ene ehu akade bia ko Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa fie na so ko pa odie wo ho P-Work Natural Health Womadro 3P garlic mixture no so e boost your immune system or menstrual problem high blood pressure and as a menstrual pain and numbness and I won sat one night anxiety stroke num and a hawadrian num 3P garlic mixture no be na emwa o kan shi kofi sam ne kens work ubenya bi oho kuma sedani heba and a colina can so bi oho abet sam and a takrade AA mensa sunyano so green light pharmacy ubenya 3P garlic mixture drone bianom for 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 2023 Chalawati Street Art Festival na Shasianura ye de kwa kosi 27th na ye bewie etunya chance bia ye monwura mu ewo su bra ene Joy Prime Joy FM ne multimedia platforms ahodo ayi wonyina so ye bo eho edawro no bra na wani beje se wankasa obre na ukofie game park for so enenkofo mula na gugu mbotom to mediation bottom Adam de so shen bottom wan de kra mula no wa kwan be na betimi ekra mula na se cash no ebie de hia ene se Ghana game park limited for a womo enso edi we abai wo dial *946# all networks are the ohia is 0 to 9 numbers no be select be any 4 digits no ukomu ani one one winning enti no call Apple Play Store no wa download game park for app no and as Adom TV 9 a.m. ya de beba 12 p.m. 6 p.m. Monday to Sunday ni na ye boboso enso ede amount ye fast na yes amasa ni ntwa ebra wankasa nso pesika atu botomu Adom City Estate and also a real estate adwumaku a womo boye ma quality and affordable housing a gated communities e wotema come to 25 Mateko and afi Kaswa na wode womo ton se 2 bedrooms detached and semi detached 3 bedroom executive detached and so womo ton bia wosika from 300,000 so ebetimi asibia ma wa hu say wa we comfortable na bibia bi wo mu with safety there 24/7 security e wo hono ma ye de ma wonsuo nkanea bibia nso e wo mu a ye wo community police wo ho a bibia koso frɛ Adom City for 0308250068 0308250068 and I call email you send you email info@adomcityestate.com and our website www.adomcityestate nani wa mo nkasa Grace Gift Herbal Clinic so nyarwa wo mo ensa eye echre ni obi a wani efra na wonti asem apart from no yare bia Grace Gift sebra na wo mo enshow Kumasi Ohim School Junction by kase kwan no so e na Grace Gift won kran ha New Achimota Petroleum and Family Life International School no ene share anymore for 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 and 0246 518 003 0246 518-003. Meda se pa senkai boy amede bro won so ani die mu watie de ama me medin de afia amankwa tamaklo me koya semedika enso wo ho a kwasinsia de eto so wie pe osofo a kane no ohwe agrek so na ni da kwan MPP for tomano a oba be die animu se franka tuni no apre mampani adwa Dr. Free Yakoto oni kwasinsia so betrase di enkomo ntinye fide no free ha koso amane na ha yeda se
yede nyamisro no e oman bapa ene be ye adwuma ye man Ghana hodo enti yiri sa no pa obi a ho ye bedi dia kwasinsia asemi de kabre ena asun ye ka no se ne etie ye wada ye de to ba bi o se ye de eto ye ni pe de tenchia bebem ebebe correct no. That's the purpose of asemi de ke ni ase be go bi enu ase ene ni ase be before me ni ase se be krokro anapai be no ba ye adwuma bi na nse ye nkomo a ye nyina ye nim sem ye se efra de bi Goro boys and it's more system middlemen eti okọ abanyumakom na wo pe bibia open shabo a iso hu Goro boys ne nya adwuma ewo agency na se ministry na wo kono the same workers na wo agency na se ministry no omoa na ni Goro boys be deli on sabe ka oniam a wo pe no within the shortest possible time but wado ho kwa emfinhie dunwotwe enkro na ada so simade no ho adaba ni bi kra ka say ya nhwe ye benam so kwa Goro boys kra by judiciary to pese do atem sharp mawa o me arrange that is who Goro boys jumedi edididi ko mo video bi an be so ba mam fa nko city newsstream.com na menchiro ade bi honum na mbo video bi emfa nchiro na hwe anam otu ampanifo so mo etu de fa Goro boys in sense mo lands commission mam fa nko citynews.com na hwe ade honum share adia Goro boys eye of my Ghana adia Goro boys eye of my Ghana and na bia meka se min blame omo anyom na blame omo Lands Ministry taxed Lands Commission to get rid of Goro boys we enu asem ene eken enura ana san komodie esiye somewhere 2018 Lands Commission perfu ba catch say they have dealt with Goro boys this will be pass as son krata asem Lands Commission a contembrantem I'm interested in Lands Commission pen for the tuja ni emra omo issue no akata so share video
systematic titling. When we did title in the past, we were doing it sporadic. So they pick one parcel here, then they go and pick another parcel in airport. What we want to do under this land reform project is to ensure that we move from plot number 1 to number 2 to number 3, so that if we take one area, the entire area will be covered. And that is what we mean by systematic titling.
Deputy Minister of Lands and Natural Resources Benito Owusu Bio enso di tuja se womo behwe se Goro boys a womo ede omo ho ahye sa Lands Commission dwumadi enim no womo beyi omo nyina afrim
enna sese no eye abefo mreso ne yewoso yi ehia se si etimi eti eye nsansa woso na womo ni ankrankranfo di no titiru efa eye nsase krata so ensem no esi etimi teso
wosan so ede to omanfo enim se omonko so enya gidie e wo komisa anim
da bia duru ne behia se ye betimi adisika ahyem se sika na adi behyem no ye betimi di bi aye eye mapping ye betimi adi eye area map area photography
Ethiopia Owusu Bio yadama se digitalization na yaka wasem computer bia nu a nipa anso ebe ya adwuma nipa na eso na si o man yaka sa fa to ya ho so se ye bosum yaka twa ya gye no enso yei So we will create ways and means to keep us in the system and moving. That's the reason for Goro Boys. Me see Goro Boys omunya adwuma wo Lands Commission. Goro Boys no more passport na no Minister of Foreign Affairs me kwa ne so ne bufu ye no omunya adwuma for a passport office o. And omunya adwuma DVLA. Adentina se Goro Boys ne eba. Ebro ma hye me se me sabe kan me certificate pepepe. Ba me kwa passport office me kwa kopa me krata. Ebre be hye me certificate. Adentia. It's because empenifo bi wo offices mo they have corrupted themselves. Yes, council, let's create an avenue. And we call register general or register a campaigner, sister Ghana, faculty of official watch, Nankrata Mai. But former Goro boy. So I can't say within 2 hours on Sabeka, every cry 2 hours on Sabeka. Why na Goro boy is no more yeduma? And Maka say, Yaman feel so comfortable working in government agencies same. And no better because say Abeduma dia we ya yenyudi. And say some who be an echo so Abeduma. And then man anaku for the person yam pam for incompetence. Tie the ndisi for beka. And then you man and you pam Ghana for but nipa ne so atwo no e ba Ghana form. Why you cromfo to bottom ni wo ba Ghana form. Kodivile so called driver's license. As of 2 years ago, now Goro Boys budget best 1,600 Ghana cedis, and about best 2,000. Go through the process. Me seem feel do now sankai. None ni partners any chrono ni Goro Boys be daily. Ama saka within 3 days no or no one else your kata and wajuma. Or me a comfort. Yeah, my people become so comfortable on your seat. The young man fire comfortable on government seat. Why are we not sacking them? Because of politics. And because of the fear, say, and you man, and when you man, so be born a corona, you man go on Chagosa. And getting government service is the most expensive thing in this country. To get a government service. Like Kenya Samyaka, me a Ghana ni. Me wanna see the be a daddy pay pass acquisition me a Ghana ni. But the men cat about to make a passport. Now, Usumi Siafi Bako, me Sankaye. Now, passport director, also 12 day. Okay, say, oh, there be and you be able to I'm sorry. There be because of say until leadership passe Ghana. Until leadership passe. So what the leadership passe on? O tu focus was say. Me ya santimeura. Me timensia. Nansu ping and pokrato for more. Kayeti amete. That is leadership. If you're not prepared for it, anything you'll be unable to say leader no. Anything you be and what's your money to bread, I will make you. And you'll be a bit me leader. And I'm the baby, I'm the better who made it. What way they? Passport director, what way they? DV the boss, what way they? Chronose, what's over yet? And you see, and Anwa, foreign affairs minister, Echo by Yan Bufu Yano, passport director, that's one to one. The same group boys will continue to work, and they are still working. And you ain't digital, me say digital, nipa ne beso computer no. Nipa ene beso. Se nipa da se ni aso computer bi enu esiwa na enu aso. Na ye kan tanka dia. Nipa ne be kwa komia computer so amana so. Sa nipa kromfo na ne be kwa komia de so. Etenye digital sem. Enye digital sem. Professor Jennifer Satamas Echo airport. And I call you say the TV, yeah, cause your port, no, and also scratches a professor cry echo honum. because one yen perceive to be naso. Eti ona wo shara yiko botwe call passport office okekeka mu a waja hono ko. Bibia nsibiem. Bibia nsibiem. Kasa tenten en top on continue aka ne sa agum ne agya hokọ. Because me see wo ba ye no. En na passport director ne ya pam no a. E kalo ba bedi na ade no ebe hu se wo ye leader na se oti eyimehe. Na asem ko sin kan ya because your position as CEO ntino o se oti. You can't be sitting and tell me, say, Madam, you're director of passport, and I assembly see, you know, more headquarters, made that. When you leader, Madam Catchrow, when you leader. So you see what when you are so what you man are winning. Then you leader say. If you fail, you better say, Benito also be a good siaga. And not people will continue to build haphazardly. Collins Commission Korea Okopon Krata. And film you nu. Not like that to cry my. And film you nu. And to depend on your town because what China? Why you not just about China? And near man about 20 years in the neighborhood because what mean China Lands Commission? Until we sacrifice some people for them to say learn sense. Bibi no be move you email. Because nipa no see a pamna. Ni mo bi on say or you incompetent, or you clueless. He's not a leader. Nipa babedi na ade no will learn from it. That person will learn from it. But the ba ye minister coach no ekpe ukem na ye dey. Shirley. Ukem na ye dey. Dia no ayo ho. Mo nyina mo kan bi na ebre. Ukem na ye dey. Ono deputy kwakwa mpratwum support. Mo kokam wo na ye dey. Because Goro boys nim free. They are still working. Why am neto? On faka sankwa. Kasa tintin top on konti. Kagumusa. Obi am peso beti obi na so. Obi am peso betia obi na so. Eno how na ye wom no how no gusu emene ye. Adenti ni ahye dia to say se be kopela ntata at least within this reasonable number of days no me sa etimika. It is a me kwa my budget mo say at least mentimi ato ade we na ena me kokora se ne bo akoso enkoso bebresa. Bam ya kwoto mfinhia so me sankan ye and pani no ye other lands commission no and that's to what. It is incompetence mu. Now, but it also be about a let's do it, go boys. Who is going to deal with it? Why? Me. Me, my question here. Who is going to deal with it? Another it also be you. You are incompetent CEO. Should be sacked. You are incompetent, clueless CEO at the last commission. Should be sacked. He should be fired. If you did, you mean your okana. Mu washi bibi organa for so me o say mu ye adwuma bi ama de na mo ye amanfo teso. Why should I pay 2,000 Ghana cedis for driver's license? Why? Because me for process ni mu a me nya ne bra me peno. The same process na the Goro boys be fam no anya kura more than ebre kura no openo. Ni eguso tete ho. Ni tete ho say ya. Cause me di ka kiro. Ye man pedi na nado dan kwakufu ado. Ompam obi no bi nso mpam no. Na no bi ana kansa kwade ni na obo man pedi to. And I say yes. There's a reason to man pedi briefing. There's a reason. Yeah, ya to national security, ya to peti Ghana fa na nyina. See a man penia so yem yenuti no or se onya so in all the 16 regions. Or let's some person catch say as soon as etie se catch man peni no dada. Because a man penia ni abrese, he will correct some of the errors in the system. What do you mean can't tell me say see you not the Lands Commission no enim Goro boys na dwuma no bi. He's part of it.
penisi penia wotene fi mama frawe na nka no ye bu akrofo tetua tetekrafo mama wono so ka ho bi he is part. That is why onya ho hwe no, because anya hwekwa no obenya ne kakra adi. If he is not, let him fight it. Why do we still have Goro boys? Why do we still have Goro boys in most of our agencies? Kakra be di enti kana ni tete on high and now politics munti and now ban power nti ya kan wonti ase because maybe sa Goro boys no wa ban power nti no na woni mpanifo bi power nti no go through it. But my culture will say, so your NPP near errors be a air you should be concerned. Fatu team say NPP intina konya so nkosi awie. Even say NPP crab transfer President Nana Akufo na we attached to him no one tira Ghana konya so nkosi awie. And before Jeka was the time changes. Ebrebe sesa adina ye kan wasoma na abuofu esa de tini ye kan MPP asem tino we twa ma wiase nyina me hose obutan ayire so no sad ye de bediu and you will cry, you will call, nobody will hear. President Kufuado me say gidie ni arehye mo hotoso Ghana for enyaro woni mu e to abade man no, the expectation for him no is high than even Kwame Nkrumah. Let me tell you this thing, Ghanaians trust President Kufuado Kwame Nkrumah. Ghana for we believe in the competence of Akufo-Addo. It's nimase be esia ya na nipa bebre de ho yaw. I say under Akufo-Addo such things are happening. Under President Akufo-Addo. Ya na for di yaw because ya na awreho. The kind of genuine trust. Minimum penny obenya sa ni biem. No. I don't know make sure if President Akufo-Addo face us as president of Ghana, nobody. Forget. I want to know we pay penny di. Because me catch us on no ne papa fie. Na abam pen for fa adwen ho. Ni asoma na mara kosen suaba. Eti koma na koso brebi titi adam pen for na edi no. No na kwada wonya kwanya etibi. Over 40 years experience as a politician. Bibi bi koso Ghana say President Kufuor enya ho experience. Ese ne mabone ekoso na abamu a ya na eya ya na asifim. Ya na manipa bamu bu se ana munya se wonyanya me no leadership sabanya me tinesi ya fa mfiri soro ama wa oye ho hwenye ye, and every leader is being accepted, blessed by God. He's a God to Ghana. One bit me aka say ene yena COVID by no nobody and I can't go to my for President Kufuor. Or say President Aso and what even bedrooms. Yes. Because he's a leader. And I'm what me to name maybe one among them. Now torrent man 2 quentin fee. So Mr. President, and yet time been a nipa time war. But Gideon Reshemu Ghana for war muno, and I'm to be doing you say, and it may be echo say. Why are you refusing to fire? Do you only fire and Crawford Sebio who form one pana? Because the man Akufo-Addo ya na nim from opposition, no, this is not the man. This is not President Akufo-Addo. This is not him. If this is Akufo-Addo in 2015, there be. It's a different Akufo-Addo. He's not the same man. Mr. President, to be honest, the rate at which a woman crop for be sebio from Ghana niema bisa brato ben kumni fano mete. Ya kama abunfu MPP need to what just said tam. Nye do system majaka. Because passport no eneme me kwa koye me dia me ni obi obedi manim. Se me pentem na se menya osim ko tua kwabra ne 1,500 2000 asana wa ye de amame because and temper me penetrate no also me first because me go through process na me sanka ne bra me pe me go through process na e bra me pe me sanka date ye dia ma se bra kra ne e be twa e obicha obeko na nya ready me nim sheli ayoko botwa ne makoka ma asema kire no but the be ho de nyame adom woni sheli ayoko botwa na ye campaign it no for fun kwa na so friend aid na the aid every passport office betimi ayama me say ema woni nyi na de hu because sheli ayoko botwa will not still continue to be the foreign affairs minister. A time will come she will not be there. At that time, no, you'll be facing the same challenger the Parudon go through. Incompetence, clueless people cannot be part of a Akufo-Addo government. And sorry to say, President Akufo-Addo has allowed himself for these people to find a way in his government. Pesamin kuminya sikapefo ene natia tese wa ban mu. Se o ma fuma dwen say o party na equal position tina for ye secure can betimi afa so e be ho ban for the next 8 years even say equal position. That is the thinking of most of Akufo-Addo's appointees now. Omonye bibia ho biem. How to secure themselves for the next 8 years even if the party goes to opposition. And the man yeya. Eno ne man yeya. So ye NPP ni a e ma abunfu. Dwen say o kina bi so be hye bi shoes ni mu. Now go through that same process. Ubesu mama the system no enye President Akufo-Addo enye gidi wonu so betimi correct ntini eto ababum e de ma no say you should come and correct it afeba ne say na mon kai ho on share den da biam kaso wo mam panifo a odwen Ghana ho na nye wona pesamen kuminya eye won de na nye wona epre won kasa ye die no men pen for dwen Ghana ho wona corruption krono en shomuma obebi okumem asom Ghana me de akwasensia asemedika pese mu eto aso asem yidi Digi boss nos baby abeko bi Adom TV air live and so honum yes to me e wo YouTube search atanase hwewe e ba ise Bidi de akwasi isi apane kese ba wetwe komo atenase hwewe e ba ise yemo mo nyina mache mmakwa ba biem emfa emra bedwam jumadi so live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 sanso na Multi TV Digi boss nos baby abeko bi Adom TV air live and so
omukwa omo ajitie mo remu dibia esie se ekoji ahomia ne behwe wo mo no ni nyina ye de nsa abobom ama no so akoye bibi fofo so enti ahoche no eso chan President Akufo Emre no enti omo no Ghana fo nya afiri omo gidi say at least yan ba holiday ke wo say etimi ye bibi ma omo ahoche no kofom that's the whole point enti ama broni friend mora no ekofom omo ahokeka no ekofom na de meme kan say say anhwe anye hu bibi na say ye de ko campaign for 2024 ebe ye diamai so I see it more hope be a new message should arise na some message na me medenam me ka chomo say me nim mo how na me metimi aka say we ni we ntina asa ha we abamuso na me ba me nema meseme no de e bebre na enye ade a ade foforo uko South Africa say African National Congress Nelson Mandela Nico omo ewo nyuma bebre e disika ba economy so mining companies, insurance companies, womu no shares in other companies like this car eba womu tinya bi di hwe womu a womu di ekuo nanum enim no efi womu ye eme create adwuma nso eba na womu afọ womu members na dade so and no bi dam pese NPP possible to say a bit my if you say Asɔre kwa asɔre kwa timi etete companies adwuma nema me say me Catholic quality insurance company Catholic owned by the Catholic Church me cars ne me nema bebre ho na me deco this me Catholic no nti Catholic Church no onya mfaso etimi de hwe na sofo esisi adan ayedada no etimi ede ha esisi schools na de adema clinics na de adema nkofo.
So to you dear or say NPP nya adwuma bia ede sika bebre ko.
Yes,
even with or without power.
Yes.
Say a party bit me strong.
Yes. And now independent of government, whether its own government or any other government.
Or what to be there from microphone chain.
What's that?
Or what to be paying every microphone.
Why in the cancer?
Former national chairman Cracker so Cotobas Saba.
I said only the Ocasio Cotobas. Me make as a metobas. Okay. I'm saying I'm creating institutions, business institutions for the party. Okay. Different.
Okay.
When they also October's Akoma constituencies, Neta, and where Juma, Sanya Juma, and the party workers now or do more con or do moba. When they make Juma in Fasomeba,
a Juma Ben a bit me
and make insurance companies. There were over 6 million votes, MPP, Ghana for Trabama, 6 million votes. If you say a company beer, a MPP. Company, they can say 6 million, for insurance. They said the quality insurance, Catholic Church. And you want to be a baby crowd. A baby, you're drinking for my soul. Now, make him a cono members not drink a basso say. Some of the Frank and Mamma, a near mamma, and a binny way. You want to be a baby, make me know what I come at that. So. But also when you home dear na face who want draw and no who yansa who beat me their trans and our yes adwuma I yes anhye na ma party no sika bam e dia hwe ne nkofo wo mu di party na nim ne yenye sika so e de be develop party no to see we constituency chairman na so person your promotion MPP e wo constituency ina ko feska because mother headquarters we need capre but who income di sikaba fia we nya obetimi ahwe aye ama development no akoso hu ne manyina aise anya adwuma no kura bia ma omo fom ho no kura bia ye na ya attractive say akwara bi a oba no asumasi we school mo hwe wo ya adwuma ama company ho dia MPP dia
before say BTSC woni swade ho ne nkomo a woni delegate no AD nim say na say wako aprobo kakra mantam no emo ujiri se bibi betimi asesa ma breaking the 8 na be possible.
Oh yes,
because now we can say abembu kakra ba
say wrong say we are at a crossroads you drew baby
okay
she share ne say amampani Akufuado or Sir Okojina Home.
Yes.
After next year. Yeah, you should be perfect. Obey. Party in every memory that Nipper do see a person, a 2 franca. Yanko Twaba. Nipa enum. 4th November no. Yanko back home obey him.
Okay.
Message I demonstrated say first of all, winning problems are from home. Me. I've been a 2-time member of parliament in opposition.
Yeah.
Quite a so for no. Yes, everything feel Kumasi Dayame and on best remio. Me call woman answer 3 times. And sana me nyasa akwanyano at the upper parliament.
Okay.
It me take polling station politics nasi. Because I've been there.
Yeah.
So enti omo ya no me ya me fili said the omo some omo kan na nya baby nko atoya na say a prayer mantama na say baby o baby abekobia extreme voter nkra asante zama baby abefabia party for asam krono
but obetumi satisfy party for The over 5 million supporters of the new patriotic party.
Yes, but say one more the supporters. I'm talking about the activists, the officials of the party. I remember 20 November no. Omo Kotwaba no. How many party officials? Polling station executives, electoral area executive, constituency executive, regional, national, and they near my and 4 power more party in that. So almost some not the same American. Because one no mudi adi enim. Ndi edi dom na ndim. Ekofa vote no ba.
Okay.
Na I say o suma stra for say yankoko. Na ekom de wo.
Okay.
So ahodin said dia kom na de no no. Entimi ma no enko. Kodin.
Yeah.
Sam me pesa me che.
Dr. Owusu-Efiri Akoto, 2-term member of parliament, about 5 years in office as Minister for Food. 6 years as Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dear Quenya na ultimate created the ma party for work from where no person mnyejiti was my catch.
Any party for us about be Kenya, no do no hire queer for.
Okay.
Planting for food and jobs, no, or money to a movie. Omubedi ho dance a chew say mfiensia na the barber sauce adwuma no amo omu kura yo adwuma na kura yo adwuma no akoso.
Okay.
Omu be so we Greater Accra constituencies be nwotwe in rural fishermen and farmers.
Yeah.
Sege adanum ni adede na so to car the co eko busa womo se fiensia ne no womo ku adwuma no akosisen na watie wasum
dia na yemo
planting for food and jobs with the new opportunities by a unprecedented MC wo Bliss Republic Mudal Fourth Republic I reflecting the rate of growth of the agricultural economy.
Okay.
Say it is say number 5 media my bear mark say.
Okay.
So and no the first thing now share crop by crop and also be say a brownie aduane yedi ne kese pa wo mema.
Okay.
So ko sremo so wo nkran ha baby abeko bia bro na yedi ne kese.
Okay.
A bro production beto so no then call more than 1.7 million metric tons da. By 2020
from 2017.
Yes. 2021 we went up to 3.5 million metric tons, more or less double in 5 years.
It is deliberate at the bay pana yedima NP
farmers
where work for more farmers
ma nyama MPP farmers. Yes. My farmers in Ghana. You can't cry for me buy me back and cry for no be an can cry for nearly 38 years. Me buy 2018 and me my census. There are 3.1 million farmers in Ghana, full-time farmers. Okay. Or the program no it may reach 1.7 million farmers. That's the subsidy on seed and fertilizer.
Okay.
It may reach more than 1.57 million.
Planting for food and job creation and why idea?
What's that?
Planting for food and job creation and why idea?
Oh no, TA.
What are the buy?
Yes.
Ubre answer the mampene jatu.
Oh, Debbie. So, Judio Mimo. Who share 2016, your manifesto.
Yeah.
A great section, no. I'm sure. On like 207.
Yeah.
Manifesto, no. I was responsible for the whole manifesto. But a drew hono, a great section, no, I'm sure. Kofium so be planting for food and jobs. And so the following year, he have a minister and I'm planting for food. January and I'm planting for food.
Okay, so now and come on manifesto promise.
There be who be a friend planting for food and jobs.
Okay.
But a man chairman said straight away I was able to do it because that's my profession. That's my career.
And you're successful.
What's that?
So free office.
Now maybe what statistics to be actually one thing. One thing here. Me say 2021.
Yeah.
the rate of growth of the agricultural sector was 8.4%, the highest in this republic. I'm just giving you one statistic.
Okay.
But it show. My can't show say a bro if we have these are all pointed, these are facts. How successful planting for food and jobs was. Planting for food and jobs, I have 5 modules. There are many with just one module.
Yeah.
The other modules, no. They say a friend tree crop module. And no. They are called parliament through cabinet. They are called parliament, a law creating that institution. Based in Kumasi. Alpha nearby in Sian, apart from cocoa. Yeah. Rubber, oil palm, coconut, mango, shea, and cashew.
Yeah.
Say they are showing us almost develop to the level of cocoa. A cocoa board fresh. Almost so develop. And see our World Bank of almost $200 million.
Yeah.
So almost fine. Because someone who say, some module no, and a bit me, Ghana, I Ghana.
Now, so before
and we have 2.
Yeah.
There are 3 other modules to do with horticulture.
Okay.
Greenhouse, Simiensa, I did be training young men and women almost free universities about when we are Israel. For 11 months internship, paid internship, ministry no boy settle. So, and sana yaba livestock, and sana yaba friends say mechanization. So my farm using farm machinery a day Inti planting for food and jobs and yet a bronco answer na but there are various aspects of it. You implement you guswa here hojuma.
Na say answer we be free abemo no. O last to our I say my na wo kan ye. The kind of farm ye na ye mai mo no. And I me yenhye dem hunu ekuya so mfaso. Say we are paying much attention to peasant farming. It's time I be encourage amanfo into large commercial farming.
Never made them cancer. Media may say smallholder agriculture.
Okay.
Up to today, and they produce almost 90% of our whole agricultural output.
Yeah.
And the strategy of planting for food and jobs is to focus on this sector to bring up their productivity.
Okay.
By the application of modern inputs of improved seed and fertilizer.
Okay.
And we've succeeded in a large way in doing that. Average yields, various crops, food crops, production, no cost.
Can you make me a Sagana, Sikasa?
Be break. I don't know my vision if I become president.
I don't know one fancy Saganas Casam Finchens, Yapunya.
What's that?
And one fancy Saganas Casam Finchens, Unya, obey our Greek minister.
I know, dear. Rome was not built in a day.
Okay.
1947 the creative cocoa board, Gold Coast, the creative cocoa board. ABC time I may call ministry or no. Now there has not been one creation of any other commodity institution. Can you believe that? The Bayern Tree Crop Development Authority. So, you see, I'm no say in Parliament, may comija Grains Development Authority, the equivalent of tree crops, the grains development, ammonia, yone, the American, a brewing, and maniama. And also all the same to develop these selected crops. But you need an institution. And yet, apart from the interface with the farmer, who here institution about support the whole thing in terms of research or universities, new high yielding, drought resistance, and farmers, so omuya the obeto free market now store now standards I say now I say export to and also export. They say cocoa board cocoa farmers, the same thing. But I have taken all those initiatives. So into no and I'm on my desk so Horticultural Development Authority. Poultry Development Authority. And I hope say Oma take over to say no. On some be sure Juma I'm an abapali.
You be free again your private health is nipa unya kuma obedi wade no obetu na yesu osisi ene ma oja no table so answer na free of it.
Oh so part 2 of planting for food and jobs.
Okay. Dr. Osefri Akoto enkane abanso afo na ohwe man kuaye eho ensam so na ye kasai o company food do iya pre wonti wo NPP amyukom se NPP ale hye hu no na obeto ne sabaje na to no be di amyuko nanim afimpi no ene adwunu nan abato kase a eda yanemu na office pempe so apart na ba be de hia obi obetimi asa part no no de enkenyan aba NPP party what the delegates edi nkomo a de na wonya feeling be na wonya about your winning
me very positive say Lady Kano, Oma who said, Mahu how.
Okay.
And my dear Tom to say, how no. The Quan so I met first one. The Mammy be 2 francana. Me first one must how no a few almost. They believe it because Omunim say, through planting for food and jobs, and most of them are farmers, by the way. Most of our delegates, at least 60-70% of them, no, Omu are farmers. And Omu I experienced the positive impact of my policies and my core ministry 6 years now, and in their lives.
Okay.
So I'm channel. And the idea of Judy said the American me.
What is asem we are now ufane saying? Say Dr. Osu Afri Akoto who say na down for the President Kufado. It also bet me a penny.
Oh, Debbie, I know there. I'm kind of sa. I'm can
okay.
If you say now for fun. And your politics, your personal relations. It's not politics. It's 2 different things altogether.
Party for so major president.
Sir.
As a president, I'm sure.
Oh,
and if you want say, and you to me a campaign.
Say,
president, major president, and so what done for party president? Yeah, what kind of president?
Nipa MPP for say now no more. I didn't go home, so major president.
That's good.
We didn't buy me no me as a could come out. Now they are better on television. Party for a president. Jawasa waka. Oh, Jai, but it's okay. Meaning so omonia bread.
Okay.
Ubi a comedy be when you're happy person. Then I can understand that.
Yeah.
Now say almost that way I suppose in open there and they've been only
Sir, when a party for Asia, Namoshe and Comodio Adia. Are you really sure, sir, who you'll be an abbot Miss Sandy Dasson Abba MP because say Nippo Bedi party in him. I was so decay, you know, I could pay the one thing to make a call Befasua or back calming down nerves. I'm a before about party no apart from. Do you think that you stand in that gap about Miyama a buffoono abba from ye?
Me family who say me could do for.
Okay.
It be beer, a juma beer, and you say a bromiso. We say me the machi and my young coupon.
Okay.
Intino, so be a come do be. Nansumin could tell you and Nansumetimako Casa. A more who say, Unya Boteka crab in Yami no dear. That's the kind of message. Yami no any the diagnosis I make country say. Me more say, meaning. A trouble I'm go through.
Okay.
Now me was solution no.
Okay.
The solution no. It been a makanche way.
Okay.
It be brave. It been a makanche way. I'm a nipa na so down when ni kwa. But you were tikota no journey. Say brave as mo bakache me. Yo. Ema komade me. Nanso yan hwe. E be oba. Obit masesa because November 4th. Yeah. And it's 7 December 2024 no. Hey, just 1 year. Yeah. You can't do much.
Okay.
But it's the intentional what be many panel. First of all, that you are diagnosing the problem, you are recognizing problem, which is what I have seen and I acknowledge openly. So, and secondly, no. And she say I'm best me the party man e ma sesa say be adachi bi no e kom no a e do no be ko fam no so me di good fam a enye bibia e kire so
okay
e bibia ubetimi say wo when you prepare so wo ya ubetimi aye
okay
nti eno no e hye wo mo nkran ma wo mo psychologically no wo mo accept say nipa we the frank an hye nsa be a Dutch boy.
Dr. Bin Control say umfie ko eni modo nti yentimi nsa ma openi be ni mfie ko eni mo sa ma ega na mampeni be.
Say me no ti way.
Okay.
Say e fro be so mo sa me no me no. Ana dey pa to check ba.
Pasa man for ka.
Minti be.
Until that.
Because the kind of energy that I have.
Okay.
Your ministry. I make all the existing constituent regions every year. The council and let's say I could try office or regional office or in them. Me council and I'm going to make meeting all my directors.
Okay.
Because they have to learn what is going on in the field. Sure. You do a bit no more permit. Say, oh, we have a break. So
Doctor, let me understand John Mahama because by analysis how you
Mahama.
Okay.
He was president when I was the ranking member opposition in parliament.
Yeah.
I know a name o ye nara. Make my family book answer them. Look at what share. Me jina floor parliament. Someone me can against the policies in me run feedback kwa. On the on try eba.
Mahama nya match to you.
Me see on train yeba.
Mahama nya match to you.
They know. Same mede sumu. Ghana phones uncle Fanbra, near mede sumu. Ghana phone no sign pay or whatever they call it. Agreement. Ukofa for DBC. Take or pay. Say, would be a juma find your juma, which listen, go no Ghana. Who's that?
And you're not American,
Debbie. No, it cannot be.
And you take up in American.
No.
Then you're married, you're Matamokusi, Ashanti Regime,
Debbie, a young boy. The Czechoslovaks, a young boy. You don't worry. They may catch on and say the policies are Mahama the drive agriculture to the level of almost minus something.
But no more free fertilizer.
Who's saying?
No more free fertilizer.
Am I any per saying? See, a so almost. For statistics, no. Now, for quantity of fertilizer I distribute to farmers under Mahama. Any year by how many thousands of metric tons of fertilizer. For statistics, no. Now, for amount of improved seeds, Mahama no distribute to farmers. Compared to year by 2017, it be seen there. How many tons? See, more a journalist, Mr. Mo, yeah, more research na mo. Maybe by 2017, I was able to distribute 2,275 metric tons of improved seed.
Okay.
Last year, how much? Almost 50,000 tons of improved seed in the market for. The one I had. Oh, with a some area.
Oguso Badwam on Adom TV. Everyone to say, Bama boys, this car, Kayanko, Yanko Game Park, Natia Driver. Eti Yakopa Accra, Egwe Bottom, say one yard numbers net TBM, a 4 0 5 and a 7. So these are the 4 winning numbers here and pay a draw here our game park eso. So when we need and pay amen power over midday and our 6 p.m. And we are doing you know and I mean here. Ever say about numbers before. Yeah, kwani akotwa the doctor Owusu Efriye akoto and come on so. Yes, I'm a baby. It was so any doctor also a free akoto penny or candy pedu. Ya a prima penny de brewo NPP amanyokumu. It was so a word and when you see and when you're edim commodify and this one ma NPP as a political party and for my Ghana Munina essence and this one you say 2024 about to Kessia Yekwe Obejina NPP amanyoku Frank Castle akako prima penny at their mom. Are you breaking the 8 for NPP?
And Annie.
We now break it 8,
Say Eddie Frank and Chairman.
Doctor also free akoto. Because every before any other person set a record that a BC Ghana about some down.
That's right. Any abre. Any abre pa.
Doctor, when you saw them for your pom, they won't say.
Your pom,
your nurse is for a journey free memo.
Oh, let's say a director of health.
Yeah.
Or can't say. Or more last year, more free Hano. I think so. Can say by 2,000 every month.
Yeah.
And so there are over
40,000.
Yeah, I train more on employed. Until we can always replace them. And Manon look as you said, the whole system is a collapse.
Okay.
It cannot be.
So
because we share private nursing schools all over the country. Mabawe. Go training as nurses. A dozen. A dozen pa. Inti enko base. Omuna bakwa brochi na eja ayarefo hospital.
O how near say omo fire nurses ikono for mo ye well trained. And do amoko.
Yes.
Se ufri school mu a uhia so obi owo adwuma no so betete adwuma no so. The last time Ghana registered as a midwifery association, secretary was so far about 10,207 and I apply some percent omoko. Yent me ye bibi asomai ent me keep yanka say nurses. Chance we jom so monko bi maso.
Well, ni na say.
Okay.
I was a ban to take advantage. Means that the demand of the quality of nurses in Ghana is high. You are prepared to pay for it. There should be a government-to-government arrangement. This is the Philippines and any other countries here. So, open housemaid near that there is an agency who call her a ban charge every person be obekwa is Jumano.
Yeah.
A bano, a tria, a ban way maybe. The name said, I shall say yes, I didn't say inside says there or say a bano share. Now, all this and she share no. A two, a form. So the bear. O my Ghana no e benya ho faso.
Dr. Osofri Akoto, camera is when me a camera connected to a Viasa Fanana. My MPP delegate NTS say date no so mnyagidi e wo mu de to me kesi say e chance.
Yo menu anom MPP fo a memeda moko hia no makoto aba eyi ne panum enum no November 4th and also Dom Cassiano anso akoyi ba akon e de franka no behema nza moti enkoma medino a e kire se mo MPP ekuo no nti na meti ha mesi me candidate fi se ema bebre o party ma me se ehamo na ehamo nso me minim fi se my firm as a member of parliament or kwada so a me ko pre sa akonya no prince ansa na mensa kae intimate grassroots politics ase polling station politics no which I say be minister enso mentran krankwa afi bia so meba monase wo ba bia mo e be hwe madwuma mo ye ene se de niema emmo amu hia ne adade emmo no so bebre enso be de mam eno nti so wo hwe sese kuayo adwuma ene se de etumpon wo manmu a na o so hu se me nipa bia wo de adwuma mamia be hwe so no maye ama mfaso abam time sremo se memre da mokoto abano a ontuma Dr. Osu Afri Akoto mena me number 5 or ballot no so me phone was so me din so also na mo fan team menim na mo mo ama me meye o mampani a flag bearer of the party, maybe deep a cool name. Now, young found call 7 December next year and Cotuabano. Ye Cotuabano as a minya. Yenina, ye been a home for so. Said the acquire me far so a dear Majuma, our ministry hall. Emma will be a bomber bassano. Sa crown answer my first reaction of my gun and no yinara. Ama your money and nana no near nana and cancel so. About two normals who say, Omaya a tumpon. To me, Stremo say, a drewer, Monkame, Namontuaban mammy.
Doctor also a free akoto a premampani de bre ewo NPP amyokonam tese ne netwetwe nkomo medin de yakwasi nsia machina yebese de ahia bakra watie wahwe yene doctor Ousu Afriye akoto ena atwe wo campaign for the year pre woti wo NPP amyokom se ochina memre de adi animu party ni mpanifo enso ne soma mekanum omso ne so ne bekanum a on the 4th of November 2023 omoto aba edi eyi nipo bekura party ni franka edi amomo wajibre ahwe me makwan atum frɛ Dr. Ousu Afriye akoto enkomui. It was especially the modern more ewo agric ministry 0302 211 701 and 0302 211 702 ekosi 4 but ofra eya dum o sound no na intimikasa ewo phone so yet be find pado na kasa so ewo so wait me adwene say 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 and 0302 211-703 na 4. Frena yeni enko happy birthday enko enfama Chairman BB Moro. Ya wo Akwatia constituency ene your birthday. You see all the best. Nyami enhiraw. Na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa. We free Chairman Godfred Bonsu NDC Kade constituency wo. Also the political father na odawase entity pa wo de amano nani so ne waye enso ediamanti Chairman BB Moro happy birthday enko emfa emma. Then once again happy birthday so enkoma penning Amanda Adua Adobia wiafe ene ena wenya so wo basic one e Madonna school okoforija ene your birthday we every papa Kofi wiafe o maame Nana ya konadu unuan wante wo fa no nyina se we show happy birthday nyame enhiraw kopem so be kese pa no aye kese mu kese so Amanda Adua Adobia wiafe happy birthday enko emfa emma sanso na no pa ma memfa moni kese enko mfa ma eye penipao no ene da mif adwumako ano the CEO of Minerals Income Investment Fund ene adwumako no under his leadership adwumako no tricky in down to say omenya about $1 billion wadwuma mo eyenim e de aboa Ghana ban sikasem and say muye ne say ya yebuma baso so the CEO adwumafo ene mu amaka mo bua ma mef agina naso ye no ye wish mu nyina all the best nyame nhyiram ne adwumapa mo ye edema on my Ghana. Hello, good morning. Now mano ate ere ato bet me afre 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 ekosi 4. Old man, good morning.
Good morning, opening
okay, patch me into
yo me dinde old man me kase fi ekunfin constituency.
Okay.
I'm say anepe no yete asama Dr. Usu Efriye wakana. In fact, Oshen Ukraine papa especially MPP delegate then yatu abano. Intane peza ye kachile mpinfo awokoto oye super delegate ni de mama wo wen free there wo boto aba no wato ama Dr. Usu Efriye usande onu na embra oye den no covid time oye den no otumi ma Ghana fu ediban me wedi
okay
nyimpa bi dam no se otumi na odi MPP enyima in fact nkunyimeze no oye one touch
sure
nti want to ma Dr. Usu Efriye akoto na delegate no so do aye so piano ma bibia aye fine
yeah see be ko so manya Evans good morning boko there
Yami Adom
Evans etio
yo anopa me tia no yaduma fa ye na ko mo sia na minya se Ghana was so sia ya pay for no mu kan no ka kan ye na ye di mo te ya se mu kan no no ma ya ma I say politicians no ason ko no mu di o se o kan se mama di dim so ba u bi sa na ma de wan se enu na akosi mo asia ma ye kan ye je so so te ya no wasi de ba wan te do fa bia enti ye ni ye so na ya so de ka kan no ye hu ye ube jono ukatata ni onso kwa uyo trofo tuba nya do beti na ye bibia bibia ni nya entity ni dia bet le pesa ko mbeto abarama ba miamo be papa we pa dia ka ba miaye
ate merasi ofa say good morning ofa huma no ate atom 0302211701 equals 4 obetimi ajoane na eja ya wrap up na amemu so amadwuma dia odo aka ne so ato aso bedwam ni and I go so live on Adom TV. So also now here so DSTV channel 280 and a Go TV channel 119. Also live on YouTube. And so with me, I should be we have a good morning.
Morning, no.
Boko dear.
Boko, Obia, who are there?
Yeah, they are me asking. We have a free yet you.
It's your doctor, a free Akoto Yepa.
Okay.
Namisiano, Oisha, my idea. The answer Moya Boagana, no, and Wana, Omaye. But delegates media may penny pan your friends that can be Japan. Thank you, no, but only bit my face your mama.
Okay.
Because we share and ban no ministerial position via one bear. So no bit means yes, or more year campaign yet ya. Or maybe the two win ya bet can in Japan there who can be a fan one.
Okay.
A bad into media come I drink here can in Japan there. One of the best flag bearer. Yes, tomorrow.
May I say, Mama, good morning.
Morning, Director Pumdi.
Boko, Bacho Free.
The president Yankamon Quanta.
Yet you.
Bacho Unze, interview no in the Oyaka, the Bilika Kramidi Muya, say. Once Obisana say, your mom was a free fertilizer. But if fertilizer, you pay him a year. Only a free one tone. And so on a free idea, yet home. Government don't tell me careful. The mama then if more you know and I married doom so na sala o kan no o say o de America kuma so de damon fesi o san ko kire say okay nya America but ye kwan say me fie pass na ya so wudum so no so wan kire so o hwani din sa o san ko business o ken nya America mu kuma se na mo fan ko ya den na so wudum so na ko no kire e plant ben na mo esi America dum so yi ya pa mo cho mo ye interview na mo position point by point thing na entia se nyina yesi
mate yeah that's it. Gershon, good morning. Hello. Gershon, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho free.
Very good for the ICMG.
Gershon, yet you.
Me pacho, me person bisa asamba ku bisa.
Okay.
Adentina Ghana yampen for no, they are not encouraging the youth. You from war. Abayamunu say they should stand for presidential. Not the piano. Umufie ekwenim na the dia umustani. Thank you. Gracias.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
About your friend, so free.
Within the Abenwa, me free fishing.
Okay, Abenwa 80.
That's a papa. Many aje kwanya uwa free ya kutufa so kasa ese opinion to Abaman or MPP mu no be flag bearer obetimi aboku no. My study omunyina from 1 up to Baumia. Ubia na motu a wotu bua so man Ghana be papa. Ubia so be bia esefata. But this crucial moment pa iwo Ghana hapa we are seeing na yesu global weather. COVID abe bomamu ubia so adigita ma yi no ho no. Mrs. Sisters and this time Yema Dr. Mahmoud Baumia digital man eba be fa be rano no nkumu nyina nya abotre
support man na nka bibia bɛyɛ kama nti nke bɛyɛ nke nyina yɛ nya this time no de nke yɛ mfa yɛ nyina yɛ ho mo afɔde because the global world now you see pandemic kama we are seeing nyina yɛ din obi so hit we bia but omatumi manage system go for wire and the system no tumi gina dollars na sebu kakra na bibia tete ba form no se nyina yɛ nya botra twen a command with me asan fa no ma pafra
Medase hello good morning shida woman no at man pick best 2 or 3 calls be na afeifa erape up na jumedi awdo aka enso ento asma me kaos nyame adba memre da ena MPP amyoko eko abato so akoto omo aba asode nipadu amna beka enum eso na your election headquarters Kokromoti power as usual you the live coverage of the super delegate conference no ebebro na won send ye ebeko ede afa Alasa good morning
Pacho it say
nyame adum Alasa frefren ye tie o
da nyama si say matnya bi phone lines a ye frefren
okay
na Dr. Akoto afi ya o ka say mama adidum so ba o boa ya o kan no kwesi e betu e be votu o mo a ya votu o mo en continue TV mo na o chantra say mama adidum so aba yen kanisa ne katan sa ne ka big 8 de na mo kan de o mo boa o mo bia mo yi o mo no o mo bia timi fesi jo mama
okay
that's it
Mati merasi kwajo good morning Fachabe say went to me enyina so man pick last 1 or 2 calls be navi emfa rapsala make us remember that live coverage and part no sia ko Adom TV Adom 106.3 FM Sasuna Asempa 94.7 FM yeah the live coverage of NPP super delegate election your mobekoi ehun sem nyina ebero Carol good morning Tena kumase ko dia na koso
kumasi de boko aja nyangopon ehwe so ma de pachi na o de kasa lesson ho dia na ye se da se no kumasi boko tu bonza da roma nti o de mesro kakra moduma pa ho ye mesro kakra na me na obi so ase ba ko cha kalusha ba ko wo akra a oyi baba ewo da ase pa me de Ghana de American say tisi a baumia ene Canada omi no na attention Canadian say ka enka Canada emla because Canada said the hotel no you be a or justice or ye mistake ya
okay
on mount he say Ghana na ye wana ya so thing Ghana for ya so di unti say ya ma Canada ma Canada ba ene be boy
okay Mate Mera say so to me if ha na di dwuma de nyina e be se me de akwese se na se kese koma production team Kojo Fodio Kofi Ampadu sound light camera okay osini full name there Wabek Kofi Ampadu eti ohuni sa no afa me de akwese sia o kira pa e be se de sia